I am here vibing with a man who is the most famous and feared selector out of Westmoreland. He established himself as one of the real sound killers in the space in the mid to late 90s. His parents named him Anthony Beckford, but we know him as...
Wynter fresh.
The girl them bubblegum.
Tell them the trouble now.
Yo, all is well?
Yes,
General.
Man. Yes, my brother, man. Respect and
Yo,
manners,
real
man.
general in the business, man. Real general in the business.
Manners and manners, man, every time, my bro.
Reach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Talk to us though, bro. Early life, place of birth.
You know, place of birth at Savlamar, right?
Sav.
The hospital maybe about 3-4 minutes away
Down the
from
road.
me right now, yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yes,
How many brothers and sisters?
You know, so by father side, I really 16 away, you know.
Yeah.
10 girls, 6 boys, but 3 of my brother them pass away, you see me?
Yeah.
So I really like 13 away left.
My
now.
condolences, man.
Yeah, man, respect.
Yeah, and as I said, father side, some people may know, but a lot may not know that you are the son of the great Daddy Uri.
A legend, man.
Greatness of flowing in our blood,
Yeah,
brother.
man, a legendary, man, no joke, man.
No joke.
Yes, man.
So is it a situation where you knew him as in as growing up, or it was later down the
I
road?
want to tell you, say, you know, because I never really grew with him, but my mother make me know from like early age, maybe like 7, 8 years.
Oh, from early, man.
Yeah, man.
Early
You
age.
know, yo, because you know how it go, black in ideas. You know what I mean? Female, God, them man, they had party them time. Like off.
We do things set
like
up,
off mummy settings and you know how it go from this. You know what I mean? But I really Westmoreland, I grew up, you know.
Yeah.
And I may actually go find my father, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I may go find him and me go look for him. You understand me? Get him number, everything, and call him and make him know 100. Because me not even in my father name, you know, from early, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, whenever I know him name from early. You understand? I made have to do a deed poll.
Okay.
Yeah, man. But,
I mean, I sit down and look for you now, and you right, I look for
then, brother, me I tell you, say, when me and him link up, you know, him right and, you know, time virgin bigger, you know, look on him and say, yo, anyway you did go, you know, go do what you do, you know. I feel on this.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
How old were you when you met him for the first time?
You know, say from, I like, when me in my 40s, because I'm 49 now, yeah, man.
Settings,
But
yeah.
I think at 2020.
Oh,
you
so
know, 2020.
a year or two before he passed then?
Yeah, man, at
Okay.
2020. Because him dropped 2021.
Mhm.
You understand? February 17th.
Okay.
You see me?
Cool.
Yeah, man. But I'll troop man. All of my brethren them surprised because at 30 a year, I never tell nobody who I'm a real father. You know? You understand where I come from? So I bus on my own. You understand?
Right.
Do it on my own without no man can say, yo, I'm father.
And your father, you're right.
You see me?
Good as well, that way, you know what thing go.
Yeah.
But me understand, man. Me
Yeah,
understand.
bro, do it on my own.
But
man.
it's great for know, say, yeah, and the old man will a vibe before him pass, man.
Me I tell you, say, me and him good, man. Me and daddy good, man. Because, brother, when me look, you know, man, even when me take one picture of my virgin take with me and him sit down out the gate and thing, I'll show you it later on. For now. Even the way how me sit down.
Your nose, because I look at your nose, brother, and you right those we
Bro, me sit down to the way how me sit down, bro.
Yeah.
Because when my father sit down, he put his ankle them together just like I see me still.
Yeah.
You see me? And I see him at the very, me say everything,
Yeah,
brother.
man, and you know, the greatness in that to the man, they're part of one of the man responsible for what we are doing now, because
Yes,
them kind of
man.
help set the thing, you
Yes,
understand?
man, yes,
so
man.
we can reason with the man them we forward through. So,
Bro, remember say man, I pioneer, you know,
Yes,
you know, get the name originator, and if you not originate something, you know.
so true, man.
You see me, so.
Legendary figure, man. Greatness, man.
Believe,
Greatness, man. Yeah,
Believe,
bro.
man.
What, where you attended school?
It was Petersfield, right up the road, so to about another 10 minutes drive from here. So Petersfield, it was secondary at the time.
You know, so you're not going to school before you got secondary school?
No,
Wynter
yeah,
freshman.
no man, oh gosh.
From early, man.
Oh gosh. Sister Sybil Basic School, that I write a Basida walk when I grew up as a little juvenile.
Yeah.
You understand that at the district I'm going right up the road, that's the same way.
Cool.
It actually they're close to the high school, same way. There's a stone throw, a walking distance from this. You understand? So growing up at Basida walk, you know what I mean? I fell in love with music from an early age, bro, because as you can tell, music in my DNA, bro. You understand? And I like where I practice.
Yeah.
You understand? But used to go around Turbophonic sound.
But even before we don't reach this yet, man. We don't reach this yet.
Right,
What was it like growing up financially though, back in the days?
All right. You see the whole lady when I grew up with, and the man we actually raised me.
Oh, okay.
My grandmother, because I live with my grandmother from me like 6 months old till I'm 19.
Oh.
When I'm 19 she passed away. You see
My condolences, man.
Yeah, man, you see me. But growing up, bro, I don't like we did have it like that, bro. You see me? Granny used to work for some white people, you know? Have like them did have a 21 apartment boardhouse right up the road, so maybe about 3 minutes away from Stratbogie. And you know them time there, she work like $80 a week. But it still had to take care of her because them time I remember say the inflation
never so bad.
Yeah, them time they see me so. We still did alright, you know.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
So how many children grew up in the household with you?
I did really me alone the day at the time until my father get another son. My then father.
Yeah, I understand. We get the maths, man.
Get another son with him, right? Him drop out and out.
Yeah, okay. And the elder we grew you as your father, he's still alive?
Yeah, man, he's still alive.
Good. We're glad to hear that.
Yes, man.
So
that's how me get the name.
So as you said that you know.
Yeah, dog.
Mr. Wynter.
Yeah,
so it was Anthony Wynter all along. Before Anthony Beckford. Aye.
But you have to find your roots, you know, bro.
Yes, man. We understand, man. We understand how you think about it.
You see, when parents do their thing there, you know, bro, it's like show off one whole lineage, you know.
Whole heap of things they show off, man. Because some of what you forget, you know,
Then, bro,
and some things where wouldn't reach, or nobody reach, and all of this.
Bro, I tell you, say, yo. It's not an easy road, my fam, but at the end of the day, we still give thanks and we're grateful, so we grow. And,
yeah, man.
You know, we never turn out tree body, you know.
True. So you said now, you kind of lead without that lie there. You say you fell in love with music early. Yeah, but where along, you know, the growing up years, the music start knock on your heavens like that door.
Yeah, you know what's a fam, I'm going to tell you honest truth. You know, say my whole lady, I know, say, when me about 6 or 7 years old, she hear me sing the Yellow Man, Mr. Chin. If you sell the right thing. And the way me sit down on the rhythm that you see me? It's like she said, no, so if I make this a pitney, I know I want a real father, you know.
Oh.
You see me? Yeah, man, chef it. You see me? But you know, true, where you growing up, when you tell with them thing there, we go hold it as a G because we not go throw parents and I bust them kind of way. You know them time you talk certain things like a national disgrace, dog, you see me? So yeah, bro, so you have to be careful.
Yeah, why?
You understand me? So we did protect our parents at the end of the day, you know? You know what I mean? We not make certain things get out in the public.
Yeah.
But you know, growing up you become a man and thing and you know say, yo dog, you have to do the right thing, bro. There's some point in life where you just have to do the right thing. You understand? My mom's reason and everything, and she know. In the interview when we do with Wiz, saying, God, not even in other interview, they never really spell out everything. Just make them know, say, you are
your father.
Isn't it?
Mad thing. Yeah, man. So we are saying now, you know, the music, the world know Wynter Fresh as sound killer.
Yeah, man.
From them times.
Yeah, man.
How that part of the journey start, you know, materialize now though.
All right. So Turbophonic was a sound where it started from a tape deck. Yeah. You know them big for America tape that the one there with the chrome them on it and thing. A cassette wire man them used to have.
Cassette wire?
Yeah, man, I fight cassette wire from them time until, cause me never there on the sound yet, you know.
Yeah.
But I know of them because them they are Hartford, me they are Bassida which is a neighboring community.
Okay.
You understand? So finally now when the sound have like one column where you not even paint and you used to call it little brown sound.
The little brown sound. Not just a plyboard them you see them.
Yeah, man, that's straight plyboard, man. You see me? No painting, no paint, no dip on it. You know what I mean? But he feared from then time because the man my voice dub from cassette, the man my voice dub in a fat cat, you know. You understand? Because he's a man where fat cat is a youth who love his music, you know. You understand? Him and him three cousins them are Freddie, Branco, and Indian Stitch.
Okay.
You understand? All of them are Indian, you know. Me I the only nigga around the sun.
All of them are Indian.
All of them are Indian,
Fat
bro.
Cat, Freddy, Branco, and Indian Stitch.
All of them are Indian, bro.
But even before Turbophonic though, you never no Golden Arc start run?
Yeah, man, I used to run Golden Arc one time, and my brethren from up the road, that's up I had that's you see me. Now I had Barracks Road right at Wynter. But them time that we still do is like a really box boy settings.
Okay.
I help
okay.
for sound and you know me I say more time you make a one talk or fighting, but when you get to talk a phone, you know say normally when
dance done.
Yeah man, most of the time when dance mash up man, you see me.
Yeah. So
like,
question though.
Yeah.
So you always wanted to be a selector, or can you know some man probably started out as being DJ and then them turned selector. What was it from the get-go?
You know what, say, bro, I go tell you on this truth, you see, when me I go to school, a professor knows lyrics them, you know.
DJ business?
Yeah, man, I used to use it and dominate the concert them over my school, man. Yeah, man, every concert, man, I wear my shape, man. But I pay a professor knows lyrics then time.
Okay.
You understand me? Because I rate Professor Nuts as a icon, see.
Right.
You see, man,
He
I'm
missed
father
that.
virgin too, you know.
He missed that.
Yeah, man, I'm a
He
father
missed that.
born
So initially you were probably leaning towards being a DJ.
Yeah, pa. Yeah, pa.
So when that changed to, you know, being a selector type of vibration?
You know, say I from start really growing like Golden Axe
Okay.
and then you used to have a next son around a Hartford side up on Morris Stop on him Studio Love. They love that sound that whole heap of tube amps there on the sound then time. You know, because if you're not one of the original youth, them you know we grew up in a thing like that, you know. You're not gonna know about tube amps, you know. Tube amps you have to plug them in for your long, you know.
Warm up.
Yeah,
but it don't look like, man.
Yeah,
I never seen it, but
yeah,
you know,
man.
it don't look like.
Yeah, man, them have to warm good, man. But you when they warm,
Sweet.
oh gosh, daddy. Oh gosh, I tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, father long as man. And I think his son passed away to that a pecking dog used to play the song.
So Studio Love, you said the song name?
Yeah, man.
So Studio Love,
Golden Arc.
Golden Arc.
And next one named Dove Melody Run a Water Rocks. When
Melody.
I'm a virgin and them Damien when me and him used to go to school together, Dana. You see me? Them man them used to walk from around my yard, I that walk, but listen to them man. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
man.
which were the bad sounds in Westmoreland back then? Terrorists and then so on?
Yeah, man, Terrorist is a bad
Sweetness.
Sound, man. All right, just see, I'll tell you something about Sweetness now, man. Your history. Sweetness, I'm a virgin Quaco Vibes. That play Sweetness. All right, so when me a box boy run Turbophonic, one of the wickedest skill Turbophonic ever get. Two of the wickedest skill are Sweetness and Jara really wake up in the music, make we start pre-music different.
Yeah.
You see that Sweetness dance there? It's an intro, you know, man. It argues and murder my son.
Intro?
It's an intro. It argues and murder.
Which artist?
Yo, I not even remember the artist name, you know, bro. But me tell you how the intro go. He say you see the boxman them pan the sound there has some big P hole. And then him go so again and say, you see the selector them has some bigger P hole. And you know my boss Fat Cat big son, man. The man say, yo, you see boss for that sound there, it's a bigger. Brother, me I tell you, say, you, me say me day in the dance, man, all one time when Branco say, light and touch, man. I feel me alone there in the air, man. Because you know me a box, but me can't flap
support
me
the thing,
support me thing, cause you understand, me still have to day in the
Oh, so
audience.
Branco was the mic man?
Yeah, man, Branco, you have Branco and Stitcher, them used to chat the sound.
Okay.
Time. You understand? Freddie, I want when no Freddie not talk.
Oh.
Man, well serious, you see me, Freddie Gargan. You see me, him always a spinny tune, the man thing.
So Sweetness rubbing out.
Me, brother, me I tell you, we get a wicked piece of robot youth.
So then time they just box you all live see away.
Box me, I lift my family. Me no 2 talk a phone until when like 5 or 10 people left in my party. You understand? At them time, because we used to have a Thursday night thing we go on. You understand? Every Thursday night, I like, you know how Stone Love them would have them weddy.
Like weddy.
You understand? So we did have a Thursday night to understand Indian headline and Hartford.
Metro Media around every Wednesday night. Yeah, man, I understand the settings,
yes,
man. Okay.
Yes,
So initially, you have to put in the work like everybody else.
Yes,
Start from
man,
box
you work
boy. Then you started getting the mic when the dance are done.
Yeah, bro.
Exercise the voice.
Bro, and I mean, I tell you, say, you see, when we start putting in work, you have people who reach up a road, you know, and hear the workings are going on and say, no, man, hold on there.
Energy.
Yeah, man, I have to turn back, go down and say, man. You have to go find out. At first that, you know.
So you start bringing
Brother, I start drag them. So you know some people start do some and start hold out now because them say, yo, You know, say, dog, I work in a late, brother. You see me? Can me. All right. You have a youth named Ray mentioned, my soul rest in peace. See him? He used to sell insurance. I used to play a sound from Orange side, him TG.
TG, okay.
And I want to tell you, say, that youth that start coming on Fanicking and just their own way, you know, our vibes, because you love your energy, because we keep a thing together, you know. It was a very good team, you know, bro, I tell you, because we cook food together, consume food together, you know, I say, the whole of we just always a whole of vibes, always I run a bag of joke and something, because, you know, say, the more joke you run and more card you draw, and the more verse you get in terms of, like, when you're in a clash, you can
full of style,
yeah, man. You easily dominate the clash because you're always on point. Because you certain things you just nah go say. Because you're your dog, them never a reason. And I run some. You see me? But, bro, I'm not a liar. The energy was so nice in our camp B. Ray dead and Ray see what I go on. But when Ray start to hear me talk now, on his sound, it's like, man, I said, no, man, that youth are different, man. So him go to Fat Cat and say, Fat Cat, you know, say, him if he make a lead out on his son. Big and serious. And from there, so. From there, so.
So Ray was the man who kind of
open
up the man's eyes and ears to the thing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah? You remember the first dance where you lead out, like, whether it was a juggling dance or it was a clash dance?
You know, say, we and Pieces.
That a Corey and Freddie them.
Man, we and Pieces were a Turbophonic land, man. I think it was a Christmas Eve going into a Christmas night, you know. One of them night. But this about 94. About 94.
About 94.
Yeah, about 94. Yeah, man. You see me? 94, 95, around that time. I'm not too far in my mid-90s.
Yeah.
But I tell you, total domination tonight, man. Because you know, I'm young and hungry for it. You know?
What's it?
Yeah, man, I'm hungry for it, man. So, you see, the minute I get my opportunity, I strike, you know. Yeah, man, I no waste time, bro.
And which selectors were you hearing in the space at the time where you kind of take inspiration from, though?
In the early days, every man don't sound like Rory still in the
okay. True, that's true.
Brother, every selector they don't sound like Rory, I tell you. But who make me take a clash thing serious? Ricky Trooper and Panther, bro.
Okay.
Them make me take clash serious.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, them time there. Because Trooper a boy on a ramp and I see boy when him scringy too.
Yeah. We soon get road to them.
Yeah, man.
See, so Pisces was the first dance where you really and truly kick off
Pieces,
two faces.
Pieces. Yeah.
Kick off two Spices. Kick off two
you did have a son in Pisces too.
Yeah, man, with the pieces.
Yeah,
I shouldn't mix up that either.
But that natural still.
See, so Pieces was the first dance where you really and truly kind of push out and say, yes, I'm ready for the road.
Yeah, man.
Boy dead.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
And was the sound still a one column sound at the time, or the sound kind of
no, man, the sound
bigger,
yeah, man,
bigger,
it developed them time, man. Man. You understand? Because boss, I spent my saying for that then, and for that having money, you know, man.
Yeah.
Because, all right, when I tell us, man, I cut dub from cassette days, you know, bro. Yes, just like how you tell us we used to play every Thursday night. We are drive go town early. Every Thursday morning, early. We can tell us we're on the city side. And then kind of we are carry 200,000 go killer. And 200,000 are whole heap of money them the time, brother. You see me? Because it's a killer with general still, you know, bro. Right. I tell you no lie. Respect bounty killer to grow when man step on, you know, bro.
One general.
Yeah, man, remember when I juvenile, man. Young youth, man, we drive back here, we go killer yard, man. Run a CB there. Then time you know the Mac Dusty give a 10-wheeler Mac truck.
4x4.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So Mac truck would have park like this or the house there, so. And then you have one long bench to the side. A whole heap of time I wake up and see me out there, so, man. Enough time I ask me if I'm not afraid of this, man. You're mad, man, afraid of what? I must say music we are dealing with, you know. Bad people know who they want, you know. You understand? I don't tell you, I don't say things can happen, you know, in a straight way, like wrong place, wrong time, you know. But majority of the time, music we are dealing with, we don't pre no badness, brother. So you understand me, I come from people know.
And just to kind of seal up this, so back then some of the bigger sounds in Westmoreland where we talk about Dove Melody,
yeah.
Terrorists, there was a Monotone.
Alright, Monotone them are from Southside.
Okay.
Terrorists, them a waterworks side.
Yeah, reality roots.
Yeah, man, you have monotone reality roots. You have a son named Heartbeat.
Heartbeat, okay.
man,
Never hear about them.
I have Sweetness.
Sweetness. And after those sons, which was the biggest son of the bunch in terms of reputation and name?
You know, say, I really Sweetness did come hold it because you know them. I think them did kind of their run before Sweetness, you know. But just when Sweetness forward, you hear a name where sound get better.
Sweetness.
And the quality I sound.
Oh, cool, man.
The quality I sound make you get the name. When me I tell you say yes, when Sweetness turn on, brother.
Sweet.
Yeah, man, the radio up enough sound, man. Make enough. I'm not talk about just not just heavy.
Quality, clarity,
yeah, clarity,
everything.
Man. Yeah, man.
Yes.
I can't left out one next sound with the name Silver Lamb to bad sound again.
What name?
Silver Lamb.
Silver Lamb.
Yeah, man.
Okay,
Dog,
cool.
Laughy, and Baby them used to play that song.
Laughy.
Yeah, man. Bad selector that one, me I tell you. But you see me, cause we grew up, them youth that we grew up, I say I do the thing in the road and, you see me.
So after the Pieces dance now, I think another big dance that came along the line was a 10-sound clash. I think GT was the promoter for that clash.
All right, watch this now. You see, after, when Sweetness kill we.
Okay, right.
We never get free. Buck Sweetness back in and on dance, you know, until the 10-sound clash.
Oh, so Sweetness was in that clash.
Yeah, man, everybody, man. Everything we're body in our West, man, they so that night, man. Yeah, man, and that's how we dominate the thing again, brother, and just take over Westmoreland completely.
So that was the dance now, on establishing themselves as the real killers them out west.
Other dance, they set the bar for Turbophonic, make people know, say, yo, don't ramp with that sound.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Mad.
Yeah,
and who played at who worked the sound tonight?
Nah, man, I'm me again.
Are you?
Man. Yeah, man. I'm me, I do the talking.
Are you do the
one Freddy. All up because you see, a team work make a dream work, you know, so at the night, every man did really out. You understand? Because we all have just like to have some blending suit to beat like party. You see me? So it's a team work make a dream work, as me say. So the whole away did involve, but at the end of the day, you know who they are at the forefront. Yes. You see me? Because I one name people them always a call, brother. No matter who else they run the sound, you go here say Wynter fresh tomorrow. You understand me? When anything go on, I my name I'll call. Yes, man. So them because they know me, brother. Say.
Yeah.
Yeah, dog. From forward, I killing me I deal with, brother.
Yes. And so you made mention of the Sweetness clash where Sweetness skill on the yeah. Up to this time, any other sound take on a stripe yet?
You know what say? The only other sound, bro, as I tell you, I did really gyro.
Isn't there a clash where Roadstar killing one at a time? I don't know the year. But think me see somewhere where say
man, I don't know about the Roadstar.
You don't remember you don't remember clashing Roadstar?
No,
okay. But I think me see that somewhere and me ask about it. Cause in my notes it says me not sure when, who win.
I don't remember of me there on the sound when me and
Roadstar. Okay, no problem. Zane?
I can't remember that. I can't recall that one.
So the next big clash would have been then I think the Gyro clash was 97. As the return clash was 97.
I'm at a fucking the two clash them I did in the same year.
Same year?
Yeah, man, the one who do and Trooper and the one who do and...
Oh, so we ask the next question. Yeah. Because I know say on a clash with Stone Love and Black Scorpio. Which one of the clash come first? The Stone Love Black Scorpio or the Gyro clash?
No, man, Gyro before that.
Gyro clash. Yeah, okay, so I could deal with it that way. That's not a problem. So look sound from Westmoreland get date for clash.
With Kilimanjaro.
Giants of Kilimanjaro at the time.
Brother, because we kill everybody.
Oh, no, kill everybody.
We bad. If you're not bad, you can't play with Gyro. You're not even going to get the opportunity to string up in a one dance with Gyro if you're not bad.
True,
you understand? So a true name I call the cassette them everywhere, bro. You understand? Because we are deal with the gun.
Yes.
The gun work I put in.
Yeah.
But here we go on now. We miscalculate some steps in the car. Watch this. We prepare for Trooper, you know.
And a Trooper come?
Up Freddy, brother.
Oh!
Brother, man deal with wicked youth.
Freddy rough up.
Brother, man deal with rough up. A man deal with wicked. Bigger Freddy Cougar.
Oh yeah?
No, me I gotta tell you this now. Bro. When Freddy start to deal with the party, bro. The man start to deal with the clash, bro. I don't know if we set to Freddy, brother, because we never plan for no Freddy. A Trooper we plan for, we have a whole eye dirt them pan Trooper and wait for him now. when we look at Freddie, I remember saying night I clash we know who are forward. You know?
Right.
So what you go do you know? You say Jesus Christ. How me go deal with this nigga you know? Brother, a man, I mean I tell you say, a man no gyro boxing, brother. When I time to how we confuse, we don't even deal with the thing, bro. You hear one Freddie though? Hey boy, when I move so lazy around the man sound, I soon fall up in my car and pound across, you know.
Yeah.
Teach them a whole place massive. brother, that was a valuable lesson for we in our music. We make you know, say, yo, watch you know, bro, it don't make no sense. You plan for no one people. Leave the apps them on the table. And know, say,
you just gotta dance to kill anybody will come.
Anybody forward, man. Because I tell you, say, bodyguard them learn a lesson from we down here, you know. Because them forward and have them boxman, them and early selector, them a play sound. And Johnny and Firelings at the time, and them a star.
Links and Johnny.
When them reach Island, you know, brother. When them reach Indian land.
Already.
Nah, if I saw nine I chuck already, but that man away at that I'm sorry, really killing the man when I eat. Remember when I chuck already, because we now wait for nobody, brother. Murdering time. From your land in Ireland, brother.
Our worries.
Yeah, man, I saw it start, man. Because here now, we used to have one slogan too, you know. Nobody feel like we are juggling with nobody for too long either, you know. No matter how you did here, say a juggling dance, you know. Turbophonic have one slogan, we say, if anything long side before night done, it must turn wrong side. Yeah, man. So just
anything long side, yeah, must turn wrong side.
Must turn wrong side, brother. So just nobody get tree comfortable when you always make sure say you have your dub box well ready.
So Links and Johnny are forward late to come finish our clash,
yeah, man,
and come find dead sound.
Yeah, man, a dead sound and come pick up, man. I have to turn back with that guppy line, man.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man.
And that was the first time when I clashed with
bodyguard.
With guard?
Yeah, man, first time with guard. But when them after that, I think I climb in them place, you know. I not telling a lie, I remember fully, but boy, Links go on with himself.
Oh, Links take it and
go on with himself tonight.
All right.
Yeah, man.
I respect the fact, say, yeah, give the man them to do the thing.
Nah, man,
credit,
brother, bro. I one thing with me, bro, I gotta tell you this straight, you know. I not stifle no man glory, you know. I not hide people glory, you know. You see when selector bad and when can't remember every selector have a bad night too, you know.
Every selector.
No matter how you're tough, you know.
Somebody will creep up on you,
yeah,
man.
what you talk about, bro? You have to have a bad night at some point.
Somebody will creep in for you, just push that in there.
Yeah, man, anytime you have a bad night, once a bad night roll up, just plan for.
Man, we kick away your foot, man.
Yeah, man, just plan for what will happen, man.
So watch you now. You said that the sweetness was a wake-up call, but the biggest lesson we ever get in our history as Turbophonic was the night against Jaro with Freddie.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That dance make we have to go back at the drawing board, bro, and evaluate everything we ever think about soundboard clash thing. Yeah, man. It make we way sharper. It make we more creative in every way because we start thinking some things now. That's how we
start Billy Box different, you know.
Yeah, man. After the dance, man, we just voice, I'll keep it and sing and Lucian and DJ and them kind of dub them.
Combination.
Yeah, man. Some different type of dub start voice, man. You see me? Turbophonic start take a thing way more serious, bro.
So whilst Jaro then kill some man and then go fall up and call up, when you use it as a learning.
Yeah, man.
As a lesson.
Man. Yeah, man. Because two things you can do, you know, either it Billy or kill you know. You understand me? So, but if you is a person where take your craft serious, the first thing you gotta do, bro, is just know say you go tell yourself, say, yo, I'm not go out like this again, you know.
You have to go up a game.
Yeah, man, you have to step up your game, man, and play a thing, man, you see me?
When prepare for Trooper, Father Harper said Freddie. Freddie killing on the yard.
Listen, when I time when the man play one Shabba said, this could not mean a for me yard, brother, me I tell you say you can't be out, me I tell you say fam. Me I know that Freddie sit down and say who? No, so me I go beat them boy a wicked like him and just telling himself from before he left in yard. Because me say Trooper did actually I did up them, you know. That me I hear, you know. So Trooper when I did up them, because he must have done Freddie for the die. When me hear, you know. So Trooper nobody have me off, when me hear, me attack. See, me hear say, him did I dub them kind of must do one Freddy for dead. Me don't know how true that is, but that me hear. See? But Freddy actually find what he need to find. Yo, me I tell you, brother, the man make them work. Whatever him bring come down there, he make them
Who did I mix him that night there?
Nah, he match and mix.
He match and mix?
He match and mix, man. Freddy bad like that, you know.
Because Freddy are forward from Super
From
D.
Super D
with
days,
nuts
brother,
them.
with nuts. I tell you, a bad selector long time.
For true.
Yeah, man, a boy, you can't take that from Kruger, man. What due to Caesar, you have to give it, man.
What due to Kruger, you have to get to Kruger.
Yeah, man, what due to Kruger, you have to give
So,
it, man.
that dance now, I'm going to change up on the whole approach to South Clash business.
Have to.
Big ball game on in here, you know, man.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. It thing just get real, you know.
On a clash back Jaro down the road with Trooper now.
Yes.
Where was that
over
dance?
Long acres span the rocks that are over Hanover, bro. I want to tell you, say, you see that dance, teach them. I there Hanover camp out for a couple of days, well, you know. And I walk in a town and meet and greet with the people. I remember me a famous face in the dog, so from the tape, you know. You see me?
Yeah, campaign, man.
A campaign, my brother, because I have to drink champagne after that. Yeah, bro. So I do over there and I meet and greet with the people, them, you know, I day and I town with them on a daily basis. I did it, them see me. And I roll and I reason with some people. And, bro, see, night I dance out. I have fans from Lucy. I have fans from... Yo, you have no code, you know. Alright, you notice, you notice nowadays, the clash them are going. Man, them will load up all 3, 4, 5 coasters. 10 times there. We don't load no coaster, we are go in our town. And we are go get ourselves familiar with the people them. Because remember, you know, I people them are forward can support you, you know.
Yes, sir.
And if the people them don't know you know, brother. You know how it go, you know. I remember Jara done famous name, you know. Remember Jara Global. Turbophonic just a forward in our game. You understand? Jara I veteran. Them I done. So if you not do your groundwork, and after that I beat them, I just get, you're mad, brother. Me need take no more man. Me not take no more from my mad dad.
So you kick out through for face like that?
What? Nah, man, he get him and ask him, man. He get him, man. He get a piece of discipline over there, man. No joke, man. Kick him hard, man. Hard, we kick him, man.
So this was the biggest scalp so far?
Brother, come on, no, man. No, international.
Because it was before the bodyguard crash or after the bodyguard crash?
You know, say.
The return with Jaro?
You know, say Jaro dance. I think Jaro dance after, you know.
After?
Yeah, man, I did after.
Yeah, even with the bodyguard thing, because even when I kill bodyguard, really and truly, I never links and Janet and up around his own still.
No, at the time.
Yeah, I understand, man.
But you have to understand, say, we go take a stripe anyway we get
all right,
it.
boss.
So nobody send
no. I understand, but what I say in terms of profile, a man want to kill, the Trooper murder, they would then be the biggest murder so far.
Yeah, big dopey that, brother. Yeah, man, a big dopey. Giant dopey that, brother. You understand?
Them time, yeah, Turbophonic established themselves now as one of the killers when they come from town.
One of the most revered young sound in time, man. You see me? I remember say I don't as a country sound, you know, so
country sound.
You see me? Because people them can tell you, man. Once you turn down this side there, just know how it go, you know. Yeah, man. You have to prepare yourself. Yeah, man, because them tell you straight, say, yo, brother. You know what you do with the country sound when you go down there, you can man them body, no. Yo, then they dance with all the way and Stone Love and Black Scorpion, man. Yo, then time they Billy Slaughter in an element.
Slaughter did that play Stone Love at the time?
Dog in an element, brother. Dog in an element, bro. But me I tell you, brother, and get a piece of overthrow in a party, bro, me I tell you.
And it was Stone Love, Scorpion, and Turbophonic.
Because the two dance the same night, you know. Turbophonic and Stone Love did that play a mobile same night, you know. But I want juggling dance at another war dance.
Oh, so them time you want to take multiple events, double dates.
Indian Stitcher and one little soldier named Dapper Cabra.
Because Dapper Cabra, now you can Cabra on the sound, man.
Yeah, man. Me look young general, man, from right up on me to this car.
So you and Fat Cat kill slaughter them?
Me and Ray.
Oh, Ray, okay.
Me, Ray and Freddy. You see me? They down in the night. Yeah, man. Wicked man thing me from man, yo, dog, me I tell us a song seal turbo and that. Alright, you see that clash there? That clash they go on till 7:30 in the morning, rain come down, you know.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man, I tell you a different kind of ball game, man. Because Phonic, I tell you Phonic, I say Phonic loaded in the man. I say them are two sound we up against again are two giant.
Giant sound, right.
I say Stone Love have them one studio and so like him.
And Scorpio in one studio.
I talk from man. Them man I cut song for all long now, brother.
That's true, yeah.
Yeah, man, I hold it up, brother, but me I tell you say, a young son, bro. Nah left no stone and turn them time there, bro.
Yeah. So and that dance a grung you keep west.
Man, right on a gun coat land.
Gun coat land. Okay.
Man. Yeah, man. This is all big dance I used to keep, man. Black in Addies. In a when you hear about big dance I keep a sub.
Gun coat.
I have a gun coat land or a stage show them with a stage show that normally keep up a land dial.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
yeah.
But then now there was a return clash with Stone Love in Portmore.
Yeah, dog. But here I go on now, a trick fat cat get trick, you know. With the dancer, you know, because we tell him say, him a go make him and him keep on dance. See? So watch this now. Him a go give him one. Him go give him one. And after that clash there, him a go give him
one.
Yeah, so basically, Fat Cat not even charge him no money for that the dancer will go up to play.
Oh.
You understand where I come from? Yeah, no charge him no money. Because a one for one. So the return they never forward, brother. Funny man, they get back then glory over this, so cause you know. Me no consider it as them kill we, you know. You see? But you see that night there, them have one like a favoritism on their side because right at Portmore this. So you know Stone Love town so they have them crowd them in a party too, you see me. And slaughter them the advice of a portion of song to see me. So him beat couple of hours song them. Him beat couple of hours song them in a party because them go vice up whole heap of killer too. Because they know a killer was strength then time. You understand me? So but anyway, the dance go on, them get the winnings. You see me? So me nah
one for one is Stone Love part I think.
But here I go on now. Me never really hold nobody around Stone Love sound until when I go.
Addies
Yeah,
with Nico.
yeah,
we soon come we not touch it. We not touch it. See?
Yeah, man.
Pan the Turbophonic journey said we are now because as I said now, Turbophonic are one of the Turbophonic became the biggest name sound outside of the giant sound them at that point in time.
Yeah, man, in
96, 97.
In Western Jamaica.
In Western Jamaica, right?
Yeah, bro.
So apart from the established sound them now, you know you have the bodyguard them and the bass of this them at the time and the Stone Love and Gyro them.
Yeah.
Turbophonic would be the sound now where they on the next step to come forward.
Yeah, man. Because as a matter of fact, my name would have been next for enter the world like that and I saw them. You see me? Just because of Turbophonic. You see me? Me have to say hats off to Fat Cat, bro. Because I tell you, say, man, invest in it, bro. Whole heap of money, man, put in a sound in it, bro. I tell you this, you know.
Yeah.
Some serious money spent, brother. You see me? So my career could have really blossomed in kind of way. You understand? So I have to show respect. Whole heap of gratitude to Eugene in real life.
Yeah, we know some things happen with it Turbophonic, but we'll soon come to that. Zane, we could talk about some other clashes in the Turbo. You mentioned a clash where Guard killing you, where you say Lynx and Johnny killing you back. So.
Yeah, man, up the line, man. I remember for Ola or one of them places, dog. I don't remember exactly what was the
I think there was a clash in Fairs Entertainment Centre in Manchester with Bodyguard where the word is that Bodyguard killing him.
Yeah,
so
man,
I don't know if that is a clash.
Yeah,
okay.
That dance, man. That dance, man. One Lynx go on with himself that night, man. You see me?
Yeah.
But you know, so somebody fling some gravel upon me that night, the youth. Somebody fling one handful of gravel youth and I want to look disrespecting go on. You see me? Like a badness man them try to use. You see me? And you know when I was zone, brother.
Right.
We're not going to be foolish. We're not going to be foolish for the fight or losing buckle this, you know.
Yeah, if you know
you understand? Because remember, say, if I'm my side, no boy can't try that, you know. No boy, I tell you that, can't try that with me on west side. So, you see, them do it in them place, then we just know, say, all right, watch you know. Remain militant and just love some things. Because first and foremost, music will forward for play and violence. You see me? So, whosoever do that, them good, man. We just go and clutch and just know, say, watch. We're not even too in and out of flaring, we just love it and make. Then do what them do and then get them winnings.
Yeah.
And from that way and them no play.
Okay.
From that way and them no
so
play.
a 2-time on a clash?
Twice.
Bodyguard?
Yeah, man. Twice.
Okay.
Never bought bodyguard again until one time when I had Addies.
Okay.
Yeah.
You Turbophonic also had clashes with Black Cat back in the days.
Yeah man, Black Cat, you see Panther youth. Panther one selector when me honor, you know, dog. Yeah man. Panther one selector when me honor in a real life. Panther bad selector. Them man they make nothing out of
Make something out of nothing.
on a regular basis. Brother, I see man in a dance already, man and Chopper play, man. I don't remember, I not gonna tell you, I remember exact location again. But the man and Chopper. And the man have a empty the box in a dance, brother. And the man I say, oh, you send me fly the new box till you come. That's your one song, man. Chopper hold on song, hold on pan song all night and dead, you know. Yeah, man. Panther that, brother. Panther that, brother.
Crafty, man.
Crafty body out. You see me? When we had him play over a place named Pimenta Walk, I watch.
Watch him, you know Pimenta
Yeah, man,
Walk very well.
up to what day I got Orange Hill. Up a Waba. And a Waba brother. I said to me, say, yo, you know what say? I one of the toughest dance that he ever listened. Man say have that cassette there, no.
Panther win the dance.
Nah, man.
I wanna win.
Turbophonic, man, I'm mad, man. Panther with my man. Brother, we have a kick up the price tag.
How much time Panther beat though?
You know what? I tell you when Panther beat me. Canada.
Canada.
In 1997.
Okay.
First time I got
So
Canada.
you go Canada before the situation where you did for go Canada and dub?
No, man, when I got Canada in that time, I never have much. I tell you something.
So it was that a crash there.
man,
Oh,
I
so a Black Cat did
Yeah,
go for...
man. Me go, all right. No, it's like, I'm going to tell you what happened. I'm more than one dance I go up there go play now. The first one I did really super fresh with go play with.
Okay.
You understand where I come from? But you see, dance with Black Cat now, we kind of get back a little bit more tune, but we still never have enough tune to talk to
Oh, so it wasn't immediate dance?
No.
But after that?
After that.
And you never recover back all that tune?
No.
All right, we soon get to that.
No, so we still went weak.
Yeah. You say you win the Pimenta Walk dance,
Yeah,
and
man.
Panther kill you at Canada.
Canada, they kill man. Man, beat we Canada because we never strapped the time, bro. You see me? Never strapped the time.
Back in them time, there was some of the other sounds and when you clap, where you emerge in the Turbophonic vein, where not the established giants them, but you sound like Travelers, Addies, Alaska, 4x4. You know clash and so on there?
All right, we are Travelers.
Okay.
Travelers then get a hard beat run a Turbophonic land. Big up what Juxi killer, but dog, you know what you go, brother. Yeah, man. And you know say, if me not lie, one dancer when Juxi player, when we play Addies too, you know.
Okay.
I think two dance we play England, you know. With them, you know. I think them win one and we did win one.
Okay.
You see me? Because the two different locations we not. You see me?
So out of them, so you play Travelers, out of that group or so on there, you never play Addies at the time?
Addies, you know, Turbophonic Addies, I can't remember, you know, bro. But Addies, even if I play against Addies, I never know clash business.
Okay.
You see me? For Kiki son Alaska, when me there on Addies too, man. Addies, Alaska, man. When me there on Addies, man. Juggling dance them.
Oh, juggling dance them there. Come in with them sound that they was back in them days.
Nah, man, a bad sound them, brother, man. A bad sound, man. Remember say Addies, them when they cut dub hard, you know, brother. You see me?
Yes.
When I hear, so you hear Black China, them name I call, so you hear for Addies.
Right.
You see me?
Yes. One of the other giant sounds at the time, or sound that made themselves, bring themselves in that category, you know, was Bass Addies.
No, remember say from 89 Bass Addies that road.
Yeah, but then it took a while for really, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but
establish yourself as giants like that.
Yeah, but alright, you see before, remember say before Screen G, you know. Before Screen G, you know, remember say
Tina One
and Triton them,
yes.
and the boy Lenny, you know.
Lenny, yeah, true.
And Lenny I'm man, you know, bro.
True.
Alright, one place used to down at Orange Hill when named Royal, I think a Royal Park or Royal Flat. One of two. But this is the big dance I used to keep. And then I have to hide, come out of my yard as a juvenile. I have to hide and get drive with somebody if I go down there. But me I tell you, say, yes, when I turn up in a day and dance, brother. Yo, bro, when Bass Addies turn on, you know, remember say, a one rack, you know, with one little piece, you know, bro. Me I tell you, say, brother, I first me witness sound I clap them the way they were. Because I remember say we used to want whole heap of rock amps line out.
Right.
When you look and see man, I man them forward with that echo there, you know.
One rack.
One rack.
A little
short piece.
Yeah, right. The one rack machine, man.
And kill it with kick to be out there. You think they get any bass of this just so? Brother, the man them a tune up his sound and you see man then go so and lock off top and sit, man. And yeah, man, then touchy bass, brother. You know why man they name bass of this, brother. Yeah, man, I'm not joking no night, man. Bass of this bodyguard 4x4 so just me got some big clash with the dog them, bro. You see me? As a youth stand up in here, watch what I go on. You see me? But the maga boy there when he scringy dog. Man can dominate. Man becomes a dominant force on bass of this, bro.
How many times Turbo and Funny clash?
Turbo and
bass of this clash.
Alright, twice.
So the Black River dance, where was the other one?
The next one over Lagwood.
Lagwood. Yeah. How the Lagwood one go?
The Lagwood one after that one there.
Oh, so after the Black River one?
Yeah, so we'll have to talk about the Black River one first.
Right, Black River one first.
Yeah, because we want to talk about the Black River one too, you know. Yeah, dog. Because watch you now. You see Black River dance?
Yeah.
Fat Cat get tricked again. A 2 times Fat Cat get tricked in a sound business, you know.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you. Because Keith, yes, this is the boss.
Father Wally.
So he boss and the boss them love link up and reason, you know. You understand? But you know, if a friend sound boss.
Yeah, why?
Because you in a trouble. Fat Cat make Father Keith tell him no, say, who? Him not cut no song for dance. So him not cut no neither.
Okay. So that's a work that we have?
That's a work that we have.
Okay.
Brother, man, invite up song and then a kid, sorry for your French, man, a killer with kick over there, brother.
Yeah.
Him man strap. Bro, the man strap. And it was, I think the dance was a Mother's Day too, you know.
Yeah.
And me got tell Scringy about his mother, bro. Wrong thing me don't do.
Wait, so for Mother's Day, tell him about his mother.
Youth, the worst thing I could ever do to myself, youth.
Oh, yeah.
I tell him, I learn a valuable lesson again. But here we know. Here we make a speech right there.
So Scringy take with your girl. Killian take with your girl.
I'm looking at the camera right now. Scringy, you may your soul rest in peace, but not over your life or your dead body, my friend. That could not. And you know why you believe that neither. May I tell you something? Because I tell you the world what I never know. You see the night when I got that event there? Dog is the next man catch me guy dancing in the youth. And the boy Scringy cause problem in the car, they be engaged at the time. You know. Mash up the people them life, you know. Because nobody never supposed to know say he be that party, brother. Somebody go tell the man, say me have a be that party and tell them me be a name. And the man go call out the be name, brother. Remember say, he be people them there at Jamaica and I go get the cassette the next day, you know. With her name, I call upon cassette when she feed her yard in her bed, you know. And mash up the people them life, brother. Cause one piece of passa youth.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man, a problem it cause, man. You see me? Not even I go elaborate tonight too much, but brother, we take a roof a girl, man, it's a mad boy. Remember me a dominant nigga then time the boy, and man, you're mad. I remember we a bad pit in the dog, you're mad, take a roof a girl. Capramp here, man. I am too rough to know you.
But on the dead night.
Yeah, man, we get killed, man.
Yeah.
Nah, brother,
and there was actually a girl, but I never your girl. All right, sir.
Yeah, bro.
But there was a girl.
Yeah, bro. Big up the princess.
Big up the princess.
You know the thing, brother. We don't disrespect people, you know.
Yes.
But the thing is, me just never like the informer works are going on night there and show up the people, them, bro.
Yeah,
you understand? I remember a creep. So,
and if they load up the thing, you see the free. So I said there was a next dance on Hanover.
Hanover. Alright, you see the dance at Hanover. You know, say, the dance to also the short staff a song. Yeah, man, with the short staff a song the night over there. But you know, say, I go tell you, say, the dance, me consider the dance as a jaw dance. Reason why? Basically, say, dominate few round, we dominate few round. And then when it forward down in I, you know, I 1 for 1.
Tune for tune.
Yeah, that carry back in I dance big time too.
Oh, okay.
You see, because the judge looks was say tribal war.
Tribal war.
But we did vice over and say sound clash war. I that Turbophonic one of the biggest forward in I dance that night. You see me? But the boy is cringing me, I tell you. A bad selector, dog.
Bad selector,
Yeah,
for
man,
sure.
a bad selector. You see, Squingy and DJ Mark, the dog them unstoppable at
Yeah,
the time,
that
bro.
chemistry with them they have, brother,
Yeah,
rough,
man, they're
man.
unstoppable at the
If
time,
they
brother.
come in night and ready, yeah, no problem.
All right, I just like me and DJ Alex right now. When we go out, fresh unit on my son.
Yeah, because we are talking about fresh unit
Yeah,
on the road.
man, I just like
We
Alex.
are talking about all of that on the road, brother. Don't worry about it.
Yeah,
See, eventually, whilst at, because I guess the peak year for Turbophonic would be probably 97.
yeah.
The time they were at the peak of the powers, we not kill a portion of sound, country and town everywhere.
All right, that's how we lose it.
And then what happened to the sound that has had the potential to become one of the giant sounds in the space, with Wynter fresh knocking on the door to become one of the giant selectors in the space?
Bro, man, I lie with that. Yo, you see, every time I think about that's something that, brother, I get emotional and that. But I tell you the truth, right now, I cry my tears them already, dog. You see me? I cry my tears and, bro, right in the time when everybody I hear about the sound of foreign now, you know, and the promoter them a foreign start.
So time to start flying now.
Time to fly out now, brother. Seeing, morning when I go in the storeroom where the box say, the box and keep. I fly box them. Empty box them, brother. Not true, no. Not true. I tell Cat to go on. And I start go and search for some that them too. Portion of
Gone
that.
too.
Portion of that them gone, man. Major. Not about major. It's like we get a major hit right there, so, bro.
So what was happening around the sound that kind of lead to that?
Bro, you know, say some bad energy creeping, bro. And it's like Indian stitch now where I must say Freddie and Branco would have lived in the same yard. All of them are cousins.
Right.
See? Them blood related. But Freddie and Branco would have brother. The two of them live in the same house, same yard. So Indian stitch would have lived around where me live.
Okay.
Around a Basida walk at the time. Stitch have to pass my yard for each a female. See? But Stitch start to keep in like 1 and 2 dance here and there with the sound. which we never did do, like we never did really do that. But alright. You see the Thursday night event them I keep Indian at the land, I would have really feel Branco parents them.
Okay.
Branco and Freddie parents them. Cause Miss Bootsy and Miss Aleng. Then we have a bar right on the front and then the land would have to his side go down to the black height, isn't it?
Yeah.
Indian Stitch, not Indian Stitch, Branco and Freddie parents them. Miss Bootsy and Miss Aleng. Then they'd have Miss Bootsy and Sterling. Then they'd have one bar on the front and then the land would have to the side to go into the black eye the building. You see? So what happened is the Thursday night thing them would have keep for them bar would have benefit.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
them a sell alcohol all night, isn't it? Alright. Stitch now start to keep him 1 and 2 dancing here and there with the sound and him a making money because he's a youth very likable by people them to see me. You understand? So him getting support and yeah, I'm telling you one I think the girl is to see me.
Okay.
So through that now, you know, female, them ring up a thing in the road and them always you know, if enough woman a pile in a dance, but them all the panic I got the day spending.
True.
You understand? So the dog always make a piece of food. So the dog build up one little house and then the dog build up one little shop now. Come like from the shop they go build to, brother. Problem. You see me cause premiums now. Cause basically Freddie and Branco now is like them feel like a dog inherit more than them. You see me? So that's the little energy. And I don't know, it's like them feel like Fat Cat and Indian City is kind of too close to me feel. Because you know, brother, jealousy traveling a whole heap of farm, brother. I don't have family, you know, bro. You see me? But me not, brother, me not watch the thing there, you know, dog.
Yeah.
Because you see me how I grow. I grow for go get my own, brother. You see? And when I grow for bad mind and next man thing, or you get envious through me see a step. You understand? Remember, so first and foremost, we are a team, you know, brother. Right. So I feel like if one man successful out of a team, you know, brother, all of we supposed to look good, you know. Because at the end of the day, people supposed to look on it and who they on the outside looking in, have to say, yo, you a dog them thing, I grow, we love how a dog them thing, I grow. So when you are going to bring in the bad energy now, it's like you show one whole different side to the people them. You understand where I come from? So you see with the taking away his song them, bro, cripple the sound, brother. Brother, it ruined everything where we fight so hard for, dog. When me look on the amount of war them we going, bro. Brother, my mama drive, when I say me then, man no one car, bro. So we are drive on the sound truck, you know. I come from dance when sound pop, brother. You know, make you know something to you, know. Same time you lose one dance, the sound heavy if you put in a truck, you know. I know I said sound where you live.
And I said sound.
No, brother. I mean, I tell you, them time there, when we are followed them, when you drive all and I want to trail them in them early morning, then and them drew water they drop off, you know, bro. Me I tell you, you know. So, brother, a whole heap we go through.
It.
You understand? We out there campaign so hard to reach so far, bro. And just when the sound we get the international break now, brother. Where yes, so the sound I go start reap back money where fat cats spend out already. Feel it to me hard.
So let me ask you a question.
Let
me ask you a question because I know you mentioned earlier that the sound was taking double dates, right?
Yeah.
So the dubs them never duplicate?
You know, say, no, you know.
So just take some dub and take some dub and go on a dance?
Yeah, man, because a whole heap of dub did have, man. A whole heap of dub did have. So a man could have carried up good song.
So who take the dub them? Freddie and Branco?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. But Freddie, at the time, Freddie have visa. You understand? So Freddie fly out them time.
So Freddie took the dubs them and
yeah, man, dog,
go away?
Overseas, dog, go with them. Dog.
As in migrate, I have to go play one dance. Migrate,
brother.
You mean after the sound from one column, brown box to big sound and kill?
They come out all the way up there, brother.
And when the thing now ready for
when the thing ripe now, bro. When the thing ready for reap now, brother. When you reap the harvest, you know, my friend. This man, them, brother, man, they mash up everything.
You ever have conversations with Branco or Freddie since them time?
You know, say, bro, God know. Man, the dog, them, Freddie flying, I see him, and we never really go and delve into it because you were going to know. Me just make bygones be, you see me?
But that hurt you, bro.
What you mean if you hurt me, man? It damaged my career wicked, man. Damaged my career wicked, bro. Because, alright, when Super B did draft for me after the
Turbophonic.
yeah. You see me? Because I only saw me about tattoo in my flesh.
Super B?
Yeah, man. See logo, yeah, man. You see me from 1997, this stuff, man.
But that's the sound you play for the shortest?
I shortest stint I play.
You played less than a month, probably?
Yeah, man. And I do damage in less than a month.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. I want someone a million get the business, man.
Million?
Yeah, man, million. Then get the business, man, up in a ginger ale.
Oh, okay, cool, yeah, man.
But what go on now, when Addies them hear about me, dog, you see me? And hear say Turbophonic thing mash up and you see me, I'm a free agent, so. The dog, them draw for me in that time and them look up my passport and everything. Because England first, me all travel going on. Because
okay.
Matter of fact, me all travel upon a different name, bro, for sure everything serious. Because when me did go at the embassy, in my original name then time for Turbophonic, me get turned down.
Okay.
Yeah, me get turned down at US embassy because I never me full out the farm. Sorry if you say it, but I know me full out the farm. And the person who full out the farm apparently never states me have mother in the US, never asked me none of them the question. Because we there Westmoreland when farmer full out of town, because I remember saying money or anything, you see. So them full out the farm and me never know all of that. So you have question upon the West if you have parents. And my mother been living in the US so long, but so right away the little China lady, one China lady where they turned down enough people then time she may end up and go to. And when she do her checks, she has to me lie to the system because me have parents in the US, isn't it so? Right away me get turned down so. Through that, Addies you know, in that time that we just all a different book and just know say watch a different style. You see me?
But before we reach over Addies, we tie up the Turbophonic part of the thing. Because I think when you went into that dub room to look and there was no dub, it was a booking in Canada.
Yeah.
How you end up work out that?
Bro, you know say I feel that them we did have. The few that them did left. And them we cut. As a matter of fact, when I go to Canada at the time, I think Canada, Jamaica and Canada did a play now. And not even the match me could even get to go watch.
Mm-hmm.
We have a day in a studio, just a cut. I have a ton studio right from reach over the brother. Just in a studio, just a cut.
Try to get back some dub players.
Try to get back some dub for guidance, bro. And then remember say you have to go label them over different now. So all of what you used to over years, where you know,
Right,
say, you coulda
God,
just put
change
your-
up, right.
You could just
You
put your hand
use
on
the
and
box away there.
I say, alright, I stagger log them there, son, ray them, sting them there, son, ray. And so you know everything where they are one part. Brother, you have to label everything and you label them a different colour now too. So I want a problem, man.
And which sound you said was the sound that you played?
Super fresh.
Super fresh. Was it
Bad
like Clash Dance?
Yeah, man, a bad sound them, man.
How that done?
You know, say I think them they get it up on with the night too.
So it was you and who?
I did me and Ray.
Yeah, and Ray.
Yeah, man, me and Ray mention. I make Ray get in first fly out on the sound too, man. And me and Ray, as me tell you for now.
Right. Oh, I see pray.
I want to tell
We tell him to get.
Isn't it so?
So you think we're more time, man.
Yeah, man.
And then they said there was another clash in Canada now with Black Cat.
Yeah, man. I
So
think
it's still weak. So.
Same here too. We did weak, man. We did weak, bro. Ain't win that dance easy, man.
Easy,
man. All one time me put up a fight, say, yo, me still win it easy because, remember, you know, bro, you see, the original Black Cat dub them, remember, say, anthem them, the globally, you know.
True.
So, when you hear, Indo, ne, you know, sir, brother. Yeah, man, when you hear a certain song, you know, and then you know, the Shine and Chris with him again when him go up on that again, brother. No call me name, no spread no rumor, shut a vigilante. When you hear them, it's brother, I'm fan. Yeah, man. You can't go.
Plus a bad selector too. And if you know on the week,
I
get it. Yeah, man, I get it.
I run you about, man.
True.
Dominance, total domination, man. Because he's a boy, brother, I tell you, son, that I'm capping when it comes to it.
Yes.
Zena, you see, if a man win dance, he win dance, brother. You see me, it make no sense because remember say a whole heap of sound I mash up in the dog.
Right.
Enough dopey to me name. So when me lose few, me just know say yeah. Give man them glory to that.
Was that the last dance you played under the Turbophonic name?
Yeah, bro, because you see when time when me after the dance, I'm forward to Jamaica. It's like me I said to myself, say dog, I pay a battery in me, I'll get another winner, bro. And it don't make no sense, me work so hard for build my name. And then just go end up again, pay a kill. After me done a kill, but sound and set me, and my legacy real line up, you know. No, me just go get just batteration after battery. Brother, it don't make no sense to me, dog. It don't make no sense. Because remember we are man, you know, bro. Ego, I go get bruised, you know. Because remember say a dominance we deal with, you know, when we step in our
Right.
So when we know, so when we dub box, your ammunition them not did it, brother. You can't carry a big stone come a gunfight, man. You're mad, man. You're mad, man. I'm dead, man.
Yeah, but I didn't think the sound class serious, brother. As a slip and slide.
Yeah, I want to tell my fam, man. Remember, say everybody has spend their money, you know, man. The boss them spend their money hard, you know, man. And who not spend hard have links, you know, man. Because remember, say, them had do it for so much years, too, you know. More time when man call up the artists, them, you know.
Never get dubbed.
Oh, you mean,
yeah, man,
true
that.
You see me? Them get favor where you now get, bro. You see me? Yes. Remember, say, I told them there, you know, brother. And the man have them studio, remember, say, Jar have them studio, you know, brother. Enough of we dub them cut a Jar studio at Whitehall Avenue, you know. Yeah, man, so. And I like Chupa know we sang them we are cut. Yeah, so I like
so. Then when
we are go voice Beanie Man, I whisper Beanie Man voice, I run the voice. So he dog know what we have.
Yeah.
You understand? And I like we did have no studio for yourself.
Right.
Yeah, bro.
That's funny.
Yeah, it's serious, man.
But you know them on the killing same way.
Then we're afraid.
That's how you think.
Yeah, brother, I remember say you have to brave, you know, man. I remember I say, alright. I remember, you know. We are cut to one set of song on this, but everything.
And everything I cut around this, right. And then time the two, because Killer never did two a voice for Jara at the time. And we have a lot of Killer.
Him couldn't run up on with Killer because we well strapped. And Jara did have about 3 Killer then time. Yeah, that. Yeah, man, about 3 Killer I have then time. Never have no holy Killer. But you see one thing me I go tell you. Don't play one bag of Killer against Jaro until he play.
In 3 Killer them.
Because he have one day.
Yeah.
Upon his stagger like really my think there. So boy, let me tell you this straight. Jaro we kill. Yo, brother, you see that dub there? You will beat a bag of Killer.
And that can rub you out.
And when the dog then reach the sun say, as much as we are bounty killer and now, Fred, all of them bounty they want to play a while ago.
Nobody like this.
When the man then drop me, I telling him by baseline of Jara having a brother. Cause Jara, then, all right, Jara traveling now look a VW bus 10 times then. You cannot believe.
When he set up.
When his son put on bro, you say no sir. I can't this that come out of that the bus there a while ago. That little sitting there a while ago.
Yeah.
Bro, the man has some 5 mile on in I think bro. I mean I tell you say what you see man him baseline for the man him son bro. God almighty. And then you know the inch Kilimanjaro we kill man with no business man dead. That boy Freddy a whole night the boy Freddy place that they into the plow, you know. Yo man tell us.
Yeah.
Yo, God know you. We learn though.
You learn.
Yeah man, we learn though.
So from
Yeah man.
Turbophonic now to Super B.
Yeah.
Where was Super B based?
Alright, Super B the base at Lambs River.
Oh, Lambs.
Yeah,
Okay,
man.
okay.
Bertram
okay.
Campbell, man, my general, man. Respect and manners every time. All the Bertram. I'm done up to this day, man. I'm a general.
Even though you move on so quickly to King Addies?
Yeah, man, I'm a general, man. My man in my ears, you know, man. The two are born the same month, you know. You see me, so it's like, we have that type of respect for each other. You see me, and things now go change because him tell me if you go on, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, him say, yo, you can't get them the opportunity and not take them, man. You see me? And me I tell you, say, from one real nigga to one next. You understand where I come from? Because him could have said, yo, you done that, my son already, you know, for man. You see me, I done all that cut double your name and rare. So, you see me? He could have said that.
True.
And knowing me, how me loyal,
you then stay.
me would have stay. But him said to me, say, yo, you can't get them the opportunity there. And I take them and say, Addies a big old son, brother. And then tell them me know that too. Because I remember say Mataran just for these then.
Oh, so you reached there shortly after Magic Cut?
Yeah, man, when Magic Cut, man, I made them send for man. Remember say, you know, I look how much selector in the world.
And you then send for?
Alright. So if your name bad, who was from all the way in New York to we a country on a bush, so. Yeah, man,
So
man,
you were now on one of the biggest sounds in the world.
In the world, brother. Bro, remember say, you know, King Addies catalog, you know, bro. Me not have to elaborate too much, you know, man. People know.
And he's one of the biggest sound in the world easily, man. Not 2 years about it, man.
Bro, Addies can forward in a one party, any event right now, and play 1 round as international artist, brother. Which other sound we know can do that?
Maybe Mighty Crown.
Maybe Crown. You see me? Yeah, bro.
Crown.
Yeah, man.
Cut sound tune.
Yeah, man. But Addies, man, Addies, Luther Van Just, Kenny G, Casey and Jojo, them just, brother, one who
Snoop Dogg and all that, man.
We talk about, brother, man, one who have them song, them, man. Nas, Black Rap, man, all Black Rap did hot in them time, brother. Yeah. We are talking from, man.
I think you went to Addies late 97? Early 98?
Yeah, man, yeah. Right in them time. Yeah.
And when you got there, it was Babyface.
Yeah.
Who else was there?
You have a youth named Neil Diamond.
Neil Diamond, okay.
Neil a big boy,
yeah,
a VP,
man.
you know. You see me, VP Records, you see me.
So it was Face and Diamond?
Yeah.
Okay.
You see me, but Diamond is not a man with to push up, you know.
Okay.
So you're not going to really see him like that. You understand where I come from? But the people who know him and love him too, you see me? Because I'm a humble youth.
Yes.
You see me?
Which was the first dance? Was it a clash dance or was it a juggling dance for Addies?
You know, my first dance when I reached New York, I think Act 3 up at Bronx. Yeah, man. I did juggling dance.
Juggling dance.
I never know clash dance.
Yeah. I know that you were involved in quite a few base Addies clash.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I think on a clash, let me get this right. There's a Washington clash.
Yeah, the one that we kill them and take a trophy can come put on New York.
Yeah, who was playing the sound that night?
Squingy and Mark.
And Mark.
Dominant forces them we get for kill, man.
You kill
yeah,
the
man.
Dream Team in a selecting
man.
at the time.
Kill them, dog, like a drunkard that night there again to my friend. I tell you. Yeah, dog. Yeah, man, then get him. And get him, man.
And I think then now there was I think two clashes in London.
Yeah.
Uno win one.
We win one and them we did win one.
Same Squingy and Mark.
Same team again.
And it was you and Face.
Me and Face.
You had hold the mic and Face a mix.
Me hold the talkaphone. Me
yeah,
MC.
That's fine. That's okay. My bad, sir. Yeah?
Yeah,
I think then there was a return clash in New York.
Yeah, man. You see that clash there?
I did see when the clash.
You see that clash? I don't think. Man, them beat you like a slave.
Same Squingy,
yeah,
man.
Man, Squingy, man. And them beat you like a slave.
So what was the big difference between the Washington clash and the New York clash?
Here what happened now. See in a New York.
It feels dark.
See the New York. Even though Addies a New York giant, you know. Base Addies is also
New York giant.
a giant in New York same way. You see me, because remember a long time Base Addies play for New York
True,
people. You know?
true.
So just like how Addies have their anthem them,
Right.
people them know for Base Addies them anthem them too.
Yeah.
You understand? And the dog then get the upper hand tonight. See? Because I not lie, bro. It's like what me think the night that will happen. Enough of the song them where Vice were having Mataran name at the time. Mataran did die dancing. You know?
Oh.
So it's like I don't know what did I go through face head, bro. But that dance there, me not think say so much song with mentally ill name.
Did need to play?
Did need to play the night.
Considering say him not up on the sound no more too.
And we remember say we have Vice to pull a tune to, you know.
Oh.
So you see song them where people them
yes.
I know where Vice do interprofessional. Me not try to take nothing from Magic and Magic I'm a dog.
Yes.
You understand me? You know me not try to put down nobody now, not
right.
like that. Because Mataran do if you do Mataran a giant, brother. And the man do if you do. When it come to Addies, the dog stamping class, brother.
True that.
See, so and like nobody can deny that in any way. But me I say, what we have Vice now, that will fair use and kick some people in the time. You understand me?
Yes. Question though, as I said that, I have seen conversations before that indicate or suggest that there was a bit of a vibe between you and Babyface.
Bro, alright. Me and Face. I don't know if you call that type of relationship, my brother. Face is a youth way. Face arrogant, bro. See? And remember say, country me born and grow in a dog. But I don't like me, I know soft soap. I don't know you can bad up dog. You see me? So more time, why him would have normally do in some event, bro, when never necessary, bro. Concentrate on playing the song in the face of that you do. We don't need for you to take Vice projector for your talk. And you end up a talk and enough of the time you say, brother, you say some wrong thing, bro. Because people them don't want to hear certain things where you face. You don't understand where I come from? And me, I had gun what you deal with at the party.
Yeah.
So concentrate on the song them, my brother. And make we deal with the thing accordingly. Because, you know, say, even the night when we and Base Addies clashing in a Brixton Recreation Center.
Real mistake.
Yo. Face make a fatal mistake in the dance, you know, youth. Man, this a youth in the dance, you know. And I patron them in the brother. And I tell us that we could have get mashed up in the night, you know. Big and serious, you know, because I witness man go on with that thing in the night.
Right.
But certain people who know we know them, they set a man where they have to move to a thing.
Keep the thing and make it balance
yeah,
out.
brother. You see me? So, me no think say, as a man and as a Rasta man too, you have to way more militant dog. You're not supposed to argue with your patrons and people when I public, you know, style people them in the crowd where pay them money to come watch you play music, brother.
Yeah.
Because boy, here what going on now. Just because the dog I say, because I think when Face take the Vice project and attack, the dog go say Rasta boy, you chat too much.
Oh.
You see me? So they say him get furious now. Which he never did have to reach us in the first place if he did just load the thing, make the thing flow. You understand me? But yo.
Yeah, are you and Babyface on speaking terms?
No, sir. Me and the dog no reason.
And you spend so much years on this one?
Brother, me and the man have nothing to do. I just the man does, as me tell you, say man full of arrogance, brother. You see me? I just him that, bro. Yeah, bro.
There was another famous clash in your Addies journey when I know if I top of my head was with Stone Love. I think that was the Warehouse clash.
Yeah, man, warehouse.
With
Man.
Nico
Yeah,
Bam Bam.
Yeah, man. Him learn a value. Remember, say just like how me I learn less, you know. Nico learn a valuable lesson than I.
Yeah.
Cause hear what happen now. I don't know. I did father Barney dancing. I remember father Barney with the response to Stone Love on that side then.
Okay.
Yeah, so what happened is, I me and Neil did the dance.
Oh, Diamond.
Yeah. So now, I me and Neil first clash this time.
Okay. So it wasn't your face?
No. Face did there, California.
Okay.
So somebody go tell him no, Mr. Nico say. Face not there, he can get a stripe.
So Nico, I know you from Turbophonic.
I mean, you better dig up a red stripe, brother. You know that stripe, then I take that in my friend. Sorry. For you know, Neil faster than Babyface pan the mixing I dub them and finding it dub them too.
Okay.
Cause Face used to fast black in ideas when him a matter and a move. Cause if you note, if you listen to the bass of this dance at Portmore, you hear how fast song a fly and the amount of song where him a fly, bro. You understand where I come from? You say Neil Diamond, brother. Remember say Neil a younger youth Face. And Neil knew he dub backs like it back in your hand. And then me now, when me reach a New York, you know, me I sleep upstairs at level when I had these archives, you know, brother.
Sleep up there. Yeah, learn it.
Bro, you see my bed? The dub box they beside my bed. So you see, as soon as me turn,
A dub you see.
at them, my hand dip on. And the turntable and sitting there right there. So as I wake up, I put on all the song before I go in the bathroom to brush my teeth. So me, because me have to, remember say me have to study. Remember say, remember say a new environment this time in, you know. So me can't forward the people them place and slack off on the thing. I have to make sure say, yo, me I do the right. So me I study dub them hard, bro. Hard. So when that the time they arrive, when Nico forward and feel like say, him could have get striped way, me don't know who trick him. But I wrong thing then tell him for do, bro. Me say all of a sudden me just see a juggling dance, you know. Me there big up Father Power and We Power and Rory and Cancer and a peer names me a big up in there, bro. Cause me say we know all Stone Up team, you know. Malcolm X and Swamp King and we are big up dear people. Daddy, me say all of a sudden me just hear Nico say, all who knows say Stone Love got June Addies with tune 219. Me say whisper, me turn around and me say hold on when you reach us. Brother, you see funny man go do that youth. Brother Nico losing work, you know, from before he reach Jamaica, can never did. If he clash with people so, you know.
Oh yeah?
Not juggling dance.
I didn't tell you that clash.
He losing work, he get fired from before he left New York, brother. Brother loan slaughteration the man pick up, bro. Cause brother Addies have so much anthems. I can't even know. All in the play no. A Stone Love anthem. Stone in play every time. A them me a wait for you know. Mama, oh mama, Stone Love Stone. A them me a wait for. Cause you see when them they done.
Yeah.
What you gonna do after that? These anthem them no we laugh it. Jesus Christ. Brother, a first song reach him man. I Bob Marley Buju remix, you know, where Babyface did that big song that again the Babyface did remix, you know. You see me? Every sound have a right to deciding
own destiny.
You know me? And in all this dance all face we know. No partiality. Hey, such a brother. Yo, family, look here now. This song can't play.
Can't play.
I play around the people them around the liquor all night turntable and Neagle fly all about over the place and sitting, brother. You can't play out bad man. Yo, the man gets up, brother. Yeah, son boy, fix good. Yeah, sit down for your man with the rear on the street from New York to Hollywood. I saw a cat now, you know. Come on, I'm gonna murder that. I'm gonna murder that and now upon this, brother. Remember that I'm not, brother. I just two that fly.
Just two fly.
Brother, come on, man. Come on, man. Brother,
yeah.
Yo, Addies, brother, I remember saying no duck with him, no play it and none of that. Because when you hear all sick with him, you know, because remember I say, you know, he gonna make one talk in a party now, say, in a class, say. He never walk with the whole line sang. Then brother Nico now, make her raise me dad. Who you go forward I want to dance like stone up Addies.
Addies, and I can't hold it.
And then, no, you have the intention to clash. And you know what I could do with your song, them big mistake, my friend. Big mistake, and New York City there, so if me never have everything in them, I could have sent for them right on the road the rest of our life. Yeah, my friend, you're not escape. Daddy, me I tell us, say, yes, when the Tony Curtis and Beanie Man combination, I think a song. When after I make a speech. I hear early one Sunday morning. This was in the death, brother. There was no sound to compete. We murdered them all and ran them to Sunday school. Yo.
Dead.
Daddy, when the Beanie drop in my sound, that's a god, dad. Selector, I don't know people. Yo, brother, look at that. Brother, you don't play with this sound, brother. They sound have song for every argument to come out of your mouth.
True.
So you're going to rap with sound like them, brother.
Nico, wrap up.
Yeah, man.
Any other clash that stand out in your memory along your Addies journey? Win or lose?
Bodyguard again, me get for all, you know. I must have a links them and go on with themselves with him.
Over fears?
Yeah, and then him did it, you know. But I want him name again. I quote me. Chris, my brother. I tell us a regular robot son carrying a bus. I say a van, me send him go play.
Night tracks.
I want to hear daddy man, I don't Antigua, him get the business in a man. Yeah man, he go jump up to man away. I say man, anything with fraggy and jump up man, a problem when you see this, brother.
Yeah.
That I climb on the top of his soundbox in my party. And face Lego the nitty coachy Angel Douglas and killer. Yo. Jesus.
In your Addies journey, with someone you go up, send your home, go home, go rub your head and you're frustrated, you're dead.
I base of this dance in New York, man.
Oh,
yeah, man, I base of this dance in New York. Them dance again nightmare, brother. Yo, remember say like a maga boy, not easy in the youth. Yo, dog, me tell you what a man do, brother. A man tell the people themselves a party crowd. That's
oh,
like
okay,
party
yeah.
crowd, so. And then go play. They got to go, you just point down there and say, Addies.
Go down there, sir.
They got to go, brother, we tell us, yo, we tell us, Mark and Squidgy. Brother, yeah, anytime you go up against BS this and you say Mark and Squidgy go play, brother, you have to do your homework.
You have to do your homework.
You have to do your homework, brother, because you're a dead son, brother, because man, ain't have to do not much, if you notice, Squidgy don't have to make no hip attack,
Right.
You see where one Mark a fly song.
Right.
All you hear say, yo, Mark. And the next thing you know, where you hear come from the song now, I do damage, brother. Yeah, man.
Dream team, man.
Yeah, man.
Dream team.
Yeah, man. Can I remember saying, even do a clash of juggle, the man ain't juggle around here.
And as we said that, to be honest with you, in terms of a team of selectors in the history of the music, I think probably only Yunsi and Panther you can put up with Mark and Squidgy in terms of chemistry.
Yes.
I mean, you have other bad selectors with chemistry too, but in terms of the man who do the damage and build a reputation together, Yunsi, Panther, Mark and Squidgy.
Yeah, man. Serious thing, bro. That's a serious thing, bro.
You spent quite a long time around King Addies.
Yeah, man.
About 22 years.
22 years, me get these, man.
22 years. Whole heap of years at
yeah, man, 22 piece, me get them, man. That's why right now, bro, you see my thing, fresh unit right now. That's what I dedicate the rest of my life to right now, bro. You see me?
And you know, that is because, as we say, King Addies is one of the biggest sounds in the world. They can't go around that. You understand what I say? We have this tendency to equate big sound to Jamaica, but you have sound out there where, and out there, Addies.
Yeah, man, international sound, man, Addies. I remember say Billboard sound in call Addies, man.
And you would have helped to continue Addies' legacy for 22 years.
Yes, man. Whole heap of damage me doing in that space of time.
So you would have seen the emergence of Kingpin and LP.
Alright. You know say with Kingpin now, I really after me left sound.
Oh, which year you left Addies?
I not even say left. But they at Jamaica for a while. Cause I remember say me they get deep from the US in the dog.
Oh, okay.
You see me so. Me there at Jamaica and AG them send back it up, them come give me down while me down.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So I come now. I start to do road again with the sound down. This in a right when me and you DJ skip a part too. It's don't want to tell a lie. A couple of years ago though.
Okay.
Yeah, man, a couple of years ago.
See the screen.
You see? And meanwhile, me and I youth them DJ skip the link up down and start for do like our local DJ.
Right.
You see me? So the Wynter fresh and DJ skip here about
Okay.
everywhere in our place. But Addies them send the dub them come give me and me have them so. We got some dance here, me, you know.
For represent.
When we get the booking sponsor on dance, we just put Addies fly up on it so me I keep the name alive.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
With the people them down the same way. But after a while, and the next youth did start power name Nico Glock, you know.
Nico Glock, yeah. Cause
Yes,
I know Nico Glock was one of the shooter upon Addies.
And me bring him to his son, man. But I feel like him, yo, me I tell you, no one throw nobody on that bus in the dog, but he would have one little style too, you know. He ain't not too much mind, brother.
Okay.
So therefore, when I go to set
Yeah, man. Yeah, no, man. Brother, we know the street setting, bro, man. You know what things set is.
So, we just know, say, yo, watch out. Cut and clear and wash hand. And you can go and go do anything.
Yeah, but your father eating good?
My general that, brother. My general that. All his son, Jamel. Jamel died. When Jamel fly come to Jamaica,
Yeah.
and me go pick him up and his wife at airport and carry them go there for the same way.
And before we wrap up the Addies journey, there was a time when Addies was pulled off the road for a while. What happened?
Alright, you see that time when Addies come off the road, right after me kill Stone, when New York fully accept me now, you know. And say Wynter Fresh wanna win now, bro. That dance make a whole New York attack, everybody a worldwide attack then, you know. You see, but New York people them really say yes. Wynter Fresh wanna win now, dog. You see me, because I live there with the people them all the time.
Right.
See, bro, whole heap of little things that are going, dog. You see me? I think father and end up lose him mother in a time too.
Okay.
I see me, and him son when named Kenya crash panic can do it also and dead. You see me? Condolences again, you see me, so soul rest in peace. Because you never used to talkative, you know, but I want you to rate like that.
Okay.
Yeah, man, you see me? Humble soldier. You see me? You like it, and pressure did too much for you not, you see me?
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, so the king pull his son off the road, and him pull his son off the road. Bro.
Okay.
You see me?
How long was that period of time there?
You know, say early 2000.
Yeah, but how long was the son off the road for?
Son did off the road for a minute, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, man, did off the road for a minute. Because at that time they know me start to run up and down and I feel do something, dog. Do some smuggling or some part, you know.
Oh, so that is how you ended up.
Yeah, man.
How long did you serve? Because I know that you spent some time.
No, man, 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah, man. 3 years, me doing.
What, smuggling?
Yeah, dog. Yes, man. Forward, woman. I just write a different script because at the end of the day, you learn lessons along the way, you know, because this is life, you know. See, because at the time I look at daughter, sideways and her mother belly to one thing and not turn. You see me? And I would have like 3,000 years to do surgery then time. The man never have the money like that either, so we have to just do what we have to do. You see me? You see me?
See pretty, man.
Yeah, that's a water under the bridge and now still
yeah. I mean, respect the fact so you can talk. You know, some man who then say, yo, Ray, we not touch that and Ray.
Nah, man,
I respect that, my bro.
Nah, man, we're not afraid for telling.
So what it is?
You see me? Because at the end of the day, bro, a life. Remember saying, bro, Jesus Christ facing one tribulation, them hurt same, you know, man. Bob Marley, them, remember saying, man, Bob Marley, Martin Luther King, all them man, them the jail, you know, brother. See the vibes started like last one, I know. You see me? And God knows who next. You see me? Remember saying Ninja Man did it.
Right.
Zebra did it. You see me? A whole heap of people do it. A whole heap of artists, enough rap artists, enough of them and them do. So I know like, it's not a disgrace for you to go. You see me? I just how you look at it and the lessons them where you will learn from it. Because some man, when they forward in the road, is like through them DIL so long, enough of them get institutionalized and can't really fit in back in the society.
You
understand? But remember, so we are different type of youth where over our life work, and we have whole heap of people we love and respect we.
Yes.
You understand? And want to say we do good.
Yeah.
And know the type of person we will be. So when me forward one, it never take me no time to fit back in and for start to do the right thing.
Yes.
And me just
that's important, the right thing.
Better me find a female and me just settle and brother, nearly 9 years now, I look out of my yard, brother. You understand where I come from? I just second myself and I say, all right, it's a one-woman thing I deal with and a this way thing, brother. Raise my little family, so I just get a little young one.
Congrats, man.
Yeah, man, you
Big up yourself, my bro.
Likewise yourself, you know. Come here for bless you.
Give thanks, man.
Yes,
Give thanks, bro.
The youths are my future, so at the end of the day, it is only right for when you get the youth as a father.
You do the thing the right way, man. That's important, my bro, man.
Bro, God, brother, they say you see blessing them from the Almighty, bro. In a nice way when you hear say youths are grow up without them parents, youth. You see me? Because if you notice, you know, right now we know that some things in Jamaica kind of taboo, you know. But it's when the youth then raise with female too much, brother. Then start to develop female tendencies, you know, brother. Enough of them little things they are going about the place, and people
you them need them father in them life, brother.
Have to have them father around them to understand the king role, brother. You see me? Alright, that's the thing, bro.
That's important, man.
Alex, so what just get a look at one too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man.
I just look like I'm about two. Yeah, so you know came back.
Yeah.
And before that, there's I think I'm going to ask you, see?
Yeah.
Was there ever a situation where things got physical between you and Father Paul?
No, bro. Never, bro. You know, some people did that run with that little
rumor,
rumor,
bro. Things say one of the times the Father Paul box.
No, man, that never happened, man. Never, my bro. Man, I can look in the camera. Now we Paul know that, man, in the box.
So where that come from?
Brother, you see the dance over Portmore?
Oh, Portmore dance?
Yeah, man. Some look at talkings going in a dance, man. But at the same time, brother, you know much killer from Waterhouse down my foot, man. I not call up nobody name, man. I want to, man.
Yeah.
Brother,
you know we have to ask the questions,
yeah,
my father.
Brother, remember say, you know, even do a dung yourself, we forward from. See? Remember say, money I spend hard on that side.
Right.
And we depend on that side very often. So what happen now, we link them at town, bro. So anywhere in a Kingston, anywhere we are move, remember say we are play.
I'm glad for no one say nothing go for a couple of reasons. One, to be honest with you, Father Power Elder and a general in our
general,
business.
Bro. Alright, don't to what you alright. Last time, you know say I go play Addies at Kingston. Run we up the name up a standpipe. That across from US Embassy round.
Yeah, man, standpipe.
Yeah, bro. You see me? And I'm me and the G round there. I see me up on table round there and see me on Father Power there.
Cool. I see me, I've see it. I saw me watch and I see the comment.
You see Father Power did box me, brother.
Yeah.
Things would have take one drastic turn.
Yeah, I'm glad for that.
And me happy say no, the thing no go on because you see, if you box me, you have the people them know when me can't go tell us if you done, you know.
Right.
I remember who I'm a father when me I hold down some things, you know. Remember who see me. So me no want grown this go ball neither.
Yeah, man.
So
yeah. Be glad for no say that I just rum talk.
No man, I rum talk.
All right. You know, since coming back home, would have created your own brand.
Yes.
Fresh Sound Movement.
Fresh Unit.
Fresh Unit.
Yeah. So my brand that is registered is actually Fresh Unit Entertainment Limited. But now we have also added tours to it. So it's Fresh Unit Entertainment and Tours Limited now.
And tours?
Yeah, tours.
Yeah, so how the tours part go before we?
That's why you see the bus.
Oh!
Yeah, the bus is for the tour part.
Okay, cool, man. Cool, no?
Because we have to upgrade the thing at the end of the day.
Brother, we have youths, you know.
You know what Come on, man. Remember, say, man.
You would have to eat.
The goal is not to compete against each other and fight down each other. The goal is to kill poverty, bro.
I know one thing when I say, you know, you say you have two goals in life as a male. See?
Yes.
Do more than what your parents do.
Yes.
Zane, and give the youth them the life where you never have.
Come on,
that
bro,
is
man.
It.
Come on, bro, man. Once you do the two, that you're good, man.
Yeah, man. I might think that still. You
bro,
see it?
honestly, man.
So Fresh Unit now, is there a physical sound system in it?
All right. We are going to get there.
Okay.
You understand? But for now, a console, we have like 2 consoles, 2 laptops.
So you will take a double date?
But you see, the thing is, what we really can't do now, double date right now. See team,
yeah. Okay. Make a G come sit down for your time.
Yeah, man. Yeah. DJ Alex Stewart, young general protege. You know. And watch out. DJ Alex again, too.
Yeah, so this is your second, your right hand?
Yeah, man, my protege is my right hand, this my brother, this man.
Yeah, so him do all of the mixing and you do all of the kicking.
Yeah,
you still clash?
No, we not clash right now, but I don't like say, in our future that now will happen.
Okay.
You understand where I come from? But for now, what happened, you know, say, a juggling really run Westmoreland.
Right,
People
right.
them now want, you know, bag a dub plate and anything there. That the new generation with the about now. Them want you then chopper song them. and the female them song them. You know they be bag a down in that throat and they bag a this and you know for them style already.
Yeah, man.
You understand? So you have to give them what them want. Just so you go, you know. You not go and I say yeah, compromise your integrity, you know that.
Yeah.
But at the end
we
of
have
the
to
day,
play what the people them. We understand how you selecting things,
them
man.
bro. Yeah, it depends on your audience where they because we just play the return of Unity Splash, which original show Richie Stevenson them used to
Unity,
keep over Landale. So. And actually me and Bounty Killer them just link up again and Mick Killer and Josie Wales, Louis Culture. Who else? I did few away, a couple of we did down. I'll Razor, my brother Razor, I'm going to say for a long while, big up Razor, you see me. But it was a nice vibes and then with the it's an interracial crowd again too.
Okay, cool. You play for yard and abroad.
You see me. So when we actually did too, we start the round with my father sang them.
Way back.
And close the round with one of him sang to see me. So we just do the right in between.
Yeah, man, I know
you give them a portion of big song same way. You know me, I said different from Dennis Brown and Greg guys. All of them kind of music.
So for the people them out there who they want book the fresh unit, you know, how them go about doing that?
Alright, you can link up on with our Instagram, Fresh Unit Entertainment Limited, Fresh Unit Entertainment and Tours Limited. Or you can link with Snapchat same way, the same name. Over TikTok, same name. Fresh Unit Entertainment and Tours Limited. Facebook same way. And the business number is actually 493-6481.
So that is 876?
876-493-6481.
Yeah, man. I say, Alex a mash up the road.
Yeah, man. DJ Alex, my G, man.
Mad thing.
My G, man. People them love him, man. I'm humble warrior, man.
Yeah. Him talk? I just mix.
You know, say, him have to start talking.
Him have to start.
Come here, go farm sick one night time. Because you know, nothing about the G, brother. Alright, you see when me and Alex our vibes more while. Some argument where dark happy though.
And you need to be attack, say that pan the talk.
Man need to attack, brother.
Yeah, man.
And me always tell but he must say, boy, you don't like when voice so
I can work, pan the man.
Brother, me say me I go farm sick, man.
You have to take it up. You have to take it up. Alright, G. Go and do the thing, you know, boss? Yeah, man. So before we go any further, man, I'm glad to know, so you know, you're so clean and despite what go on with Turbophonic, despite the challenges with, you know, Addies, you're forward. You face your struggles and
with great power
as they say, you know, you all of your stress.
Yeah, man.
And you kind of build your one brand, brother.
Yes,
I wish you all the best with that and with the tours and everything.
Yeah, man. Give
go
thanks,
and do the do, man. Zane?
April of forward, April May 50.
Yeah?
April, this April May 50.
One next question.
Yeah.
Were you ever associated with or was building a son by the name of Gatlin?
You know, sir, Gatlin. I want a son from right up a Wynter side. Darlistan here, they say the G come from still, you know. But,
so you were around the son in the time?
Yeah, man. Okay. I want them DJ 6 man.
Okay, cool,
yeah,
man.
6 Killer in the name at the time. But them have to change it to DJ 6 because somebody has the name 6 Killer to so dog. That was change it to DJ 6, you know.
I want to know 6 inside that kind of different meaning sometimes.
But in that time, the 6 them never activate.
Oh, they never activate. Okay. We see free. All right. So, which period of the journey I know, when you sit down and reflect upon it, give you the greatest sense of joy and reward. So, yeah, the Turbophonic journey. I look with Super B, but so Turbophonic and King Addies.
Really, you know, say, bro, honest to God, you see my Turbophonic era. Remember, say, a team when I grew up with, you know, and gel so much with, you know, bro. Bro, may I tell you, that, yo, heart wrenching every time I think about that sitting there, bro. If you know, say, you're sitting like that, just mash up saying that.
Yeah, man. Brother, on the on the verge to become a national level sound, brother. Then international level, brother. You were on the verge of moving over into the top branch of the selecting space in there, bro.
Right, that's how we there.
As a matter of fact, as I said that, I was watching something with Chin, from Irish and Chin.
Yeah.
But he was doing something where he's saying the biggest mistake that has ever been made in sound history is Wynter Fresh leaving Turbophonic. But I guess he never understand, say, and I really leave Turbophonic. It's Turbophonic mash up.
Happen, brother.
Oh.
If you sound never mash up, bro.
Yeah.
When you see the disaster what happened.
Because people out there really think say really you left Turbophonic.
Come on, man, brother, remember.
Because remember people don't know how much interview you do. You
Only one.
Exactly.
Only one. This is my second one. So watch
there you go.
So watch and me I tell us to teach them, I really give thanks, bro, for you reach out and for make my story go out, bro. Because,
give thanks, man.
Because watch you know.
DJ Crazy Scott, big up yourself. I am responsible
gosh,
for this, man.
Crazy Scott, him, because I wake up one morning and see about 15 missed call from them.
You link me forward and say teach. You go on.
Yeah, man.
Wynter Fresh, we have a link.
Yeah, man.
I say, yeah, man, set it, man.
Yeah, man. I'm my brother, that man. Scott, I'm my brother, man. Way before
give
that.
Give thanks, my bro. Appreciate it, you know?
Time, Scott. Him my next version, DJ Chung. Them on the England side right now.
Okay, cool, man.
I'll stand Chung forward from a regular youth over here in a dance, a mash up dance and I see me, you see me? Good youth, you see me?
Yes, so that me also now say, you see, things like these now, where you do, where people kind of understand the fullness of the thing. So it's
True.
not a Wynter Fresh left a Turbophonic, it's that there were difficulties and then the thing just kind of, you know, break down.
Bro, honest to God, youth, I want the saddest time of my life, dog. If anybody want to know me, all of my real people them want to know me, bro. Know what me go through in them time, bro. For know, say all I want me fight so hard for, bro. Just go down my dream just like that in a one go, bro. You just one day I wake up and go in a storage and there's no song.
Yeah. And Cat stick link?
Oh yeah, man. Him could for Cat have him thing around this money about smoke supermarket.
Where's Stitch there?
I'm Stitch there in New York, you know.
Okay.
Yeah,
oh, it's a Cat of a supermarket?
Yeah. Stitch normally flying.
Okay, cool.
Freddie and Branko them there on the, I think a Florida side them there now. Too,
okay.
You know, see them from Wednesday, you know.
I see you pre, man.
Because even, alright, you know, Arif Cooper, may his soul rest in peace also because Freddie and Branko's sister Lisa, you know. I did she and Arif together, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I succumb at a long time, you know, Arif, you know that. We have got Arif yard from when Arif have one like a 2-channel no mark mixer put on the table in our house, you know. With the 1200 techniques of scratching, you know.
Yeah.
I learned to scratch the time there, you know. So I tell you, say, along the journey, we meet some whole good people.
Yeah.
You see me?
In your Turbophonic days,
Yeah.
list me 5 dub plates where from then you go up on the turntable, sound dead.
Anything off my Mission Impossible rhythm, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Were you the one responsible for cutting dubs at the time?
Right.
Or you played a role in that?
Watch this now. Freddie and Branko them used to deal with the dub cutting like, in the initial stages. You understand me? But after a while, when time me start becoming a dominant force on the sound, see me, my input was very important. You understand me?
Makes sense.
So when we are got town now, because them used to go a town before me. Because you know, say I say go.
Yeah, man.
It have to reach stages.
Seniority, man.
So when you reach that level, then now, yeah, you can start take it trad them go to Kingston and all thing and all. So, bro, it was. Me I tell you, so we put in my work, bro.
So anything for the mission?
All right. Especially up to last night, me make Alex play the Mission Impossible rhythm and me a DJ the Bounty Killer around there. Because me just a reminisce for me
Yeah.
When you see bad man no act like no Chucky, if you this me one time and don't dead the lucky, big gun me boss Wynter Fresh the boss Bucky, Turbophonic no F make dopey, gun me boss off me Westmoreland man, brother look you know anytime that play man. A gunshot fire man. Brother, alright, watch you now. Me play a Moscow. Waterhouse. When I saw him Cornerstone.
I know about Cornerstone, well.
Alright, over a ball field.
Yeah.
Who a gunshot fire around this brother I'm there in that play man how you dogs.
Can killer ground that theater. Oh,
what? I must say Waterhouse man, Seaview man,
yeah,
man, oh gosh man. I must say we are trying ground and a vice double and we are care. Killer loving good weed, brother. So then so we are drive. A lot we are drive then time from down west so go killer foot. So you know how long we attack.
So you say anything, but you say that killer there.
Killer. And you have Cabra. You have 2 Cabra on the mission too again.
Yeah.
You see me? You can't sing them out of a made right now.
Okay, that's alright.
But them two cabra on the mission. The Bunty on the mission. You see the Cape Patana sing and Lucian and DJ. Made a wicked song again.
Yeah.
You see me? And you see one Bunty killer will say, boy running on me gun and dead, no mongrel dog a fight with them head. But brother, when them the song they play, bro, you know have to ask.
In your Addies days. Blessing man, we're good man.
Blessing, man.
In your Addies days, Ian?
Yeah.
Give me 5 dub plays from the touch turntable.
Alright no.
Sound dead.
Alright no. You see when you touch Addies answer rhythm, you see that same super cat that just tell you about sound boy fix good. Murder that.
Yeah, fix good.
you see the Bunty killer. Pani answer again too. How can you spy that figure? You
couple shot in them, man.
And you see pan the sick rhythm, the Tony Curtis and the Beanie Man again.
Right.
Early one Sunday morning, don't play with them song. And you see pan the duck rhythm, seeing. So this the big bad Addies. Step aside, please. Anytime you hear, cause I think a couple Bunty killer the pan the sick band, pan the arms, pan the duck rhythm. Anytime you hear Addies go for your duck rhythm, brother. Watch out. Watch out.
So it's not Addies go for your duck rhythm, it's a duck.
How are you, man? I shut a fire, man. Tell me. And you see the song that I tell about again to the Bob Marley Bojo remix.
Yes. Crazy.
Yeah, man. A giant forward them, man. Anyway, them they play, man.
Yeah.
Giant forward, my friend. Tell me.
Yeah.
New York anthem them.
Which song you enjoy lining up with, stringing up with back in the days? Which song and selector you enjoy playing against the most back in the days? Whether juggling or clash?
You see Panther youth, see Black Cat.
Yeah.
I say Panther is a dramatic figure.
Yeah, well.
They man they talk some things we can laugh, brother. See, I tell everybody about, boy, you go lock off Black Cat. I hear them say, lock off your mama pipe. You see, all right, Panther talks something out of ordinary, bro. He is not like the average.
Yeah, for true, man.
I general, bro.
Because I think I'm rate with Panther too. Panther take one song when I really spend all of money or cut all of a tune and turn it in a giant
Talk
sound,
shoot, man. Talk shoot, man.
And Panther did depend a base of this,
or a King Addies,
or a Addies,
a problem,
or a
man.
Jaro.
A problem, man.
You understand what I say?
A problem, a whole heap more problem.
Yeah, man, or like a different level, a bad selector, man.
But
bad
you think, all right. You know, but you want me to tell you something too? It work vice versa too, you know. Because you see, me think one of the main facts say him don't have his song them.
He make him work
hard. He make him work harder and he make him more creative.
Yeah, you have to add creativity to it.
Makes sense.
That makes sense,
yeah,
brother.
Bro. You see me?
That's for that.
Because you see, sometimes when
makes sense.
Sometimes when you have too much in abundance, you become complacent.
I get lazy, man.
Yeah, man, you become complacent, man. So you see him now. You see him did affy be so wicked because the sound when him there on not have enough. So him have to improvise.
Yes.
Brother, him go on with some things in bro. I tell you, say man about whole empty box, brother.
And that's why you open with that.
Wait till he fly later. I tell you,
don't you there.
no song now in there, brother. And Pam Chupa did a whole and Pan song.
I dead.
Panther general youth.
I true Panther
general youth.
So true.
You see bass of this again too, brother.
Yeah.
Cause me learn enough from bass of this. Cause you see bass of this. Bass of this no bag of stop song.
Yeah. Juggling.
A juggling man named Juggle, brother. And you see being as oh man named Juggle. You see tempo where man
momentum the way man high for true.
You see when them done and you feel go on like say yo, yeah Jalove no wanna play one song per one turntable. Yo, brother, look here man. Big respect to Jalove, love them son.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day,
different ball game this one.
You can't play no one song like say brother you have a fire song. And that's why Addies then could have win all the dance over Portmore. If you notice how Addies them they loaded in
quick on the drum.
and the man them a fire shot in brother. Cause man I remember say face and Mataran at the time. All you Mataran pan most of the time you know, oh boy, you boy and so and song just a fire.
Oh boy, you boy.
You see me? And song just a fire. You see me? Yeah bro. Then the same thing. Alright. Mark makes Squingy work easy, you know, bro. Because Mark is such a dominant shooter, you know.
That's true, man.
He makes
That's true.
Squingy work. Brother, you have to free that
And
man.
as I said, you know, I said this before and people probably open their eyes. Say, in a base of this history, I think the most important figure. So while Squingy is a name, but the most important figure in base of this history is Mark.
Brother.
Not only the chemistry of with Squingy, but he was the one cutting the sound.
Yes.
When Squingy died, he was the one who keep the sound together, brother.
Bro, look at now. Let me tell you this. You see, remember I said Squingy could have climbed up on the top of the stage. Squingy could have walked go anywhere, you know. And all he must say, you know, is, yo, Mark, yo. That's it.
And Mark up 5.
Come like me out the whole sitting to, you know.
Worm tell us still. All if you take Mark forever, put the song on the turntable, once it drop, the dance go bust.
The dance go bust up, man. The dance go bust up because Mark is a smart individual. And you notice you see selector them not talkative. You don't play with them, you know. Because the man study their craft.
Him know the music, man.
Simple as you see, as young as you see DJ Alex. A regular man stand up in a sound dance and me see white people ask me if isn't he too young to know these songs.
Right.
Would they a nigga that play and the man a drop some holy say brother, I tell you say. You know one part, you remember Vintage? I say white people have out to me and I say, if him not too young to know them. I say, you understand where I come from? But
see pre man.
remember say he's not a talkative individual either. So you have to watch out for him and them when you say not too talk, brother.
Yeah. Is there a song where you never play where you know you sit down sometime and say, Jado, you know, I wish me them play that song, they probably for whatever reason, maybe because of their name, maybe because of how the sound, maybe because of them catalogue. Like you say, you know, me did enjoy playing that song, I think.
You know what I say? I think the only other song when I really would enjoy playing is my father's song, brother.
Sturgav.
Yeah, man. You know, so I stand up around here, I take out one column round a yard and a Clinking Avenue upon in Memorial.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Take out one column, put across the road, them, and then I garage already, and I tell us, brother, when I start run through my father's porch out. Because I go in his room first, you know. I go hold a reverence with him, you know, I talk. Since he passed, you know, like, I stand up in his room and I reason with him like he actually dead with me there. Seeing, because I never take up his portrait. So I say, I ask him to guide my finger them. And I tell her, say, the night, because I Alex to go up there and wife and the youth and thing. Daddy and bro, I tell her, say, I just start find some, brother, my father have some rhythm. My father have some rhythm in a film porch, and brother, way. You never ever go hear nobody with it, you know. Now them things they now can get back, you know. So you see all film porch, we have to preserve it.
Preserve it, but I'm just going to tell you that, man. You have to make sure you preserve that, man.
Yeah, bro. I tell
the history that, brother.
Brother, yo, dog, the man film thing, thing just different.
I'm glad about that. I'm glad for know say somebody will appreciate music and appreciate the history of what you did, what kind of oversee that, brother. Because that's important. Because enough time great men pass and them children are interested in what them do and it's lasting time. You understand?
Out of all my siblings, them, brother. You know, and me alone take on for that journey. You know? You understand? About 16 away, I'm one take on that journey. You know? So you understand where I come from. That's even the other day when me, because last year, because at 20th year my father fight with diabetes final. Last year me the diagnosis. You know? Last year January, you know. I lose whole heap of weight, you know. Again me gain forward now, you know.
Okay.
Because it take me actually 1 year. At the 29.6 my sugar level reaching. It take me 1 year from January last year to January of this year to get it down to 5.6 right now. And because of discipline and also the most I know say my journey not completed, the mission not completed. You see me?
I'm glad for once you take steps to treat with that still.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Because me get some meds where not give me no side effects and on top of that, Chris Maker's sister up a girl level side so. She give me something when named bitter melon.
Yeah.
See? It look like the little jokey thing them on the Cersei.
Okay.
Yeah, but them actually big like a cucumber.
Okay.
So them loaded with magnesium, vitamin B9, calcium, whole heap of things. The list is so long, bro. I can't name out the whole list. But very extremely healthy for a human being we have we're diagnosed with diabetes.
Yeah, but me know no doctor still say, but me know as it relates to treating insulin resistance is cut out sugar and alcohol. You start there, so.
I don't take a teaspoonful of rum from from fine out from last year.
Good.
You see me?
Sugar and alcohol are the enemies, brother.
Yeah, man.
You understand? So just go and work on that. I'm glad to know so you have that under control.
Yes, bro.
Mad
yes,
thing.
bro.
Yeah?
Yes, me couldn't, if it was earlier, you know, me couldn't do this interview here with you, know.
Yeah.
Because me actually did, even in a September gone, me get wet up in the rain like now.
And sick out.
Me end up with the bad flu that I grown. And me pick up a lung infection also.
Oh, my hopes that, you know, sick.
No, man, right now I'm solid, man, because guess what, me stop. Me not even bathe with hot water no more.
Yeah.
Me no use the hot water upon the house, it's straight cold water. If me come in from dance 1 minute before daylight, cold water me go on, because when the cold water shock your body produce more white blood cell, which are defenders, them, you see me? So that you really need. So right now I'm solid, dog.
Good.
Yeah,
good,
man, solid
good,
for
good.
me.
Yeah?
Solid, man.
What's your favourite rhythm for cut? Dubspan?
You know what I say? You see sling thing, you see answer, stagger.
Which one is sling thing? Jam is one or Jan one?
You know what I say? Jam is
one.
original.
Okay.
You mean, brother, man? How you talk about, man? What can beat original? Nothing no beat original.
Jan version of body slim thing, brother.
No,
when you jack their hands upon that, man.
Me not tell you say that no bad.
What?
Nothing no beat original, dog. You know, maybe you have one
no,
different
man,
ears
man.
to
Yeah, because everybody here, but Jan version is alright. So me do
me respect Jan because Jan a tough
me do
boy.
a thing when me get one band play my favorite 50 favorite rhythms.
Yeah.
See? The jam is one about number 3 and number 4. Your number 1, you see that?
The Jan one.
Oh.
I want to go.
That is it, man.
Mad man.
When Gandhi say, yes, I am a dumb man, but me gun talk.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Dead people,
yeah,
dead
man.
brother. But me understand what you say, man. But my favorite cut like that.
Speaking of Genzi just lose him brother and father choice too, you know.
Really?
So rest in peace, the choice moments. Yeah, man, G drop out.
If we go link him forward, man, me never know say him brother drop, man.
Yeah, man, the general drop
Ganzi
out.
I'm a G, man.
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
father choice, brother, man, choice movements, man. You see me?
Which artist you enjoy cutting the most on dub plate?
No half a killer, man. Couldn't put you on body else, man. Half a bunty killer,
Half a
man.
killer.
A boss, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Remember saying, bro, there's nobody in the world can intro a song like Killer, you know?
Nobody at all.
Bro, when them man they give you an intro, dog, brother, y'all end up
You know what I
I
play
try to
tune?
sound like you dog the whole day. When you hear them and they done intro and song, you try to sound like him the whole day.
day.
Cause you see that intro there. Yo, dog. Yo. Just listen every sound. We are bad sound.
Killer.
They have to have one killer intro where they are their favorite. Cause them, remember, you know, man, enough killer do some whole heap of wicked intro, you know, but yeah, I have money just pick out one in the brother.
Yeah,
and
man.
say, yo, watch it. Every dance me go. Me I go press this.
Yeah, what your favorite juggling sound down the years? You then pay your money for go listen to that sound, that juggle. That's juggle.
You know what I say overall, bro? From morning at Stone Love still
Stone Love.
I'm gonna go grow on that, you know.
So who are your favorite Stone Love juggling selector then?
Alright. From in ideas, me tell you say everybody they do a sound like Rory, bro.
Oh, Rory, okay.
Because when Rory forward at West, alright, big up Money Cologne. Seeing cause Money Cologne are original promoter down there where I always bring Stone Love down there. One place named Flaming Walk around there, so. Right across from Manning's High School. When Stone Love forward around there, so, bro, can't forget this as a youth. Rory drive a red 190E Benz, come park beside it. See the sound of this, so? Dog park right there, so, bro. Bro, look here now. Man style level of one different level, bro. And them man they make me want become giant in a selecting world, bro. Because me I say, yo, bro, if them man cannot do it on them a level of dog.
You can do it too.
Yeah, man, what you talk to, man. When I find these them money must, man, put in the work, man. Because if you notice in them time then, bro, if you ever cassette where you hear,
yeah.
Rory, I say, selector till he start to see lassie. When I like, the man used to just switch up his style, and me have in tough, you know? Nah, man, a bad selector.
Giant in a space,
yeah, man. A bad selector, man.
So Stone Love your juggling sound, Rory your juggling selector. I know
right.
you say, yeah.
You see, all right. You see, like in terms of DJ, you know. You see, one youth from Mobile side named DJ Kentucky.
Okay, yeah.
Them man, they are dominant forces, bro.
Yeah. I know Kentucky,
and watch
man.
his style. all of who you see a jump up right now, overdose and all of who you see.
Yeah.
A Kentucky footstep, all of them walking.
No, Kentucky bad, man.
I general, brother. Kentucky give Alex in respect highly.
Yeah.
Go over in club, go play.
One thing in all about DJ Alex
no,
at all.
Man, mad, man.
Respect that.
No, man, as a young general,
respect that, man.
No,
Respect that, bro.
because of me and him.
Yeah, I respect that
yes,
still.
Man.
I respect that
yes,
still, man. You're still a pushing my road,
no,
brother.
Man, you talented, man. When you talented, you can't hide that, man. Brother, right now, people them love him in the road, you know. Yeah, man, people them love him, man. I tell you that.
But yes.
And watch out, you see here Alex again, too.
Yeah.
You see how he G humble.
Yeah.
I see, you notice him, man, him is not a talkative character. Them.
Him chat enough, man.
No, man, I hear him talk to, man. Yeah, man, if I hear him talk to, man. Because if you don't know Alex like how I know Alex, you think he can't talk. Because people ask me that if he can't talk.
Go on, you know, show me ropes, man.
No, man, a real way, man.
So you said that, I know you say you rate Panther upon a level, but does it mean that Panther is your favorite Clash artist? You then got Clash to stand up and watch Panther, or there's other people?
All right. Rest in peace, Squinjet, as I say, Squinjet. But you see, Damien bad, you know. Damien from BSS, Damien and Worm, them, you know, them do them thing, you know.
Yeah.
And before Charlie Black turned artist, too.
Yeah.
Charlie Black, the wicked, and he have a tough voice. You see me? Who else? I ramp to the sound them from Center Side too, you know.
Yes,
brother.
I saw Worm and Damien, them tell me, brother.
Man, don't ramp to the sound them from Center Side, man. From Ready them to where the money name again, rough cut them and a couple more of them around there too, you know.
I don't the Interceptor come from too?
No, Interceptor Father Krabby sound, that fan come from that side.
Oh, me the sound they do well, you know.
Yeah, man, Interceptor bad sound, brother. Father Krabby have a couple sound here, you know. Krabby supposed to have about 3 or 4 sound, you know. Yeah, man. Because he have one thing that way, you know. He have one fully monitored sound, you know.
Okay.
Yeah,
I try to build one of that still.
Brother, one night the dog play, one night him play in a thing that for me, man, them time they play one place with the name Tropics. I tell you, say, bro, nothing can stay up on the top shelf. You have to take every top shelf.
Oh, yeah?
You want them mash up. I say when the bass clap off of that, sitting in the building.
Look at time I build one of that, box by box, but we get road to it.
When I go, you know, same place where Kentucky gone, you know, that's someone go.
Oh, okay, we see
that's when time, because you see the waterproof box and the line with them. That's someone. Anytime because me as a man, when I believe in buying foolishness.
Yeah. And so you know that leads me into one of the next questions still. Yeah. Why sweetest sound in sound you ever hear string up? No sound never play sweeter than that in your life. From your listen sound.
I mean, I gotta tell you the honest truth, you know, it's when Stone Love used to play good. Stone Love did that play wicked, bro. And then watch now. Watch now. You see when I go stand up around my father's son, bro.
Oh, yeah? Still?
Brother, you would have never believed that's a King Sturgeon play good there. Sturgeon, Alex Startner, man. One column, man, when you take out the one column of the up, man, it will lick down the whole place. Yeah, man. And a 4 wall of that. A 4 wall light up there. You know? Yeah, man, that is sound beat wicked, man. You know, build for mash up, you know?
Right, I said a build for mash up.
You know, build for mash up. If you see the type of angle iron them when you use all around the back. A 4, we have to lift up one a Sturgeon after pen box, you know?
So you never see the physical sound it still?
I'm going to show you.
So anytime you go back around the side there,
knock me
forward, man, if you feel me circle, man.
I call you, man. No, I'm not forward if you're not there.
Okay, all right.
Tell me, I'm sure.
So let me know from early on so we can get ourselves together, man.
I do it because
I'm not really there 4 from this, so.
I'm not go up and do it after.
Right.
Because remember, my father is not a man way. The man not do steal out style. Right.
True.
So therefore, I said we're treating things with respect, you know. So maybe forward 1 year and take out some things, but I feel like next year I go see me forward against him.
Right.
Probably 2-3 years down the line.
Yeah, man, anytime you go back the side, man, link me forward, man.
So me deal with the thing,
you know, we love them things. And a history that, brother, we're interested in that.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Over $50 million worth of sound, man, not throw them on the brother, man, and play thing, man. Because we spend for father thing set up, you know. You have to take out him X5 out and garage to go in sound then.
Right.
Nice story. Yeah, man, I see, brother, then my brother then tell me, you know, man, that man sound move for under 500,000, you know, brother. I
Yeah.
tell you. If you get it for less than that, you have to have one real close to them.
I want to build one soul like that.
Yeah, because what you know, remember I said before, all daddy pass, you know, when for daddy sound a play, you know, brother, leeching them and them the people that you see, you know. Remember I say Andrew Holness again to I'm an MP too.
Right, yeah, because run the constituency.
All right, when you drive around a Clinking Avenue from the front at a clinking to all the way up a father gate.
Mural.
Painting a green and white. You see me, so you just know from this, so say, you see me.
Bro, here we go on. It's a pity, say, Turbophonic ended the way how Turbophonic ended.
God know you.
But then again, you probably only get to play a next world sound too.
Yes.
So everything happened for a reason. But
Yes.
whilst Turbophonic was active, you, sir, would have stamped your name in a cause Turbophonic run was probably for just a few years. And when we are talking about selectors who would have become legends,
man.
Wynter fresh name, I forget
man.
calling, I think,
Yeah,
brother.
man.
You do it, man, bro.
You know what he say? You know what he say? Panther them, man them not to do interview and not call me name, brother.
Yeah, man. Brother, we know the man greatness
Fire
in
link
together,
same
bro.
way, bro.
We know the
Man,
man.
them, brother. Respect.
We know, say,
Yeah,
you are poised to really and truly kick down one particular door, brother. But also, separate and apart from that, I'm glad for know, say, you'd have also gotten some of the history of King Addies, because it's a massive institution that's in the business.
Yeah, bro.
And also, despite the challenges that you would have, experienced, you have found ways to kind of get yourself up and running again. And with the establishment of,
True.
Your own brand.
True.
And thing. We wish you all the best, brother. And go on also keep your father legacy alive, bro.
No, man, me call him
and all of them
event,
things there. Yeah, but and the physical things, the sounds and him record them and them something there, try to preserve.
Yes,
I think a Father Uri museum would be something that could be a thing in the future, brother. You understand what I'm saying?
You know, say, me I tell you straight up, me have that.
Work on it, man.
Me have it in the drawing board, man.
Work on it.
Yeah, man, me have it on the drawing board, man, believe me.
As great names going on the music, not many are greater than Father Uri. You understand what I'm saying?
You know, so people call me.
Not many.
Not many, bro.
Yeah,
People call me, bro, and make me know, say, bro. You see, when you go to Europe, brother, France and some place, bro, you have people take off, woman take off all them blows, man, and make him walk on, man. Then kind of respect.
Legendary, man. When man take the mic and say, great!
Eh? Wait, it's time to tell the people.
Brother, so just go and do the thing.
Yes,
You're
man.
part of the thing and daddy part of the thing. Keep it going. And I'm saying, anytime you go that side, brother, you call my phone, man.
Man,
Ready, brother.
Definitely,
Ready.
Man. Love and respect.
Brother, art of love, man.
Every time.
Real sound killer, brother.
Every time, my bro.
Real sound
Blessings,
killer.
man.
And I don't know if down in the future, you're going to take up back that still. I know you're a big brother, though,
No,
but someone for always a dead side. That's my
No,
thing.
in a real life.
You understand?
In a real life. I raise the killer.
Yeah, raise the killer.
Yes,
Do the thing, man. Yeah, me like when someone dead. So, in the future, if you reach a crash thing there again, let me know, man. Because
no, man, definitely, and definitely, because you see your platform, bro. Me really love and appreciate what I see you do, bro.
Give thanks, man. I appreciate the support, bro, man.
Because you see the people that put in the work, and remember saying, no fight big man that put in the work before, bro, who no pass away, on the verge now. Too.
Yeah, man,
So you see what you do by documenting these things, bro. It a keep a culture alive. You know what I mean? And make a younger one, them will never know certain things. Can go do their research. And can watch your thing and know say you watch it. You see me? Teach them, man, yeah, make a message and reach them, man.
It's a big fun.
Tell us a killer intro, you know. Killer
teach him!
Killer, man.
You say from killer just the intro, and do one. Killer intro that different
with you. Brother.
Make sure your message reach
you,
you know?
To killer every time, man.
Father fresh.
Respect
Big
again.
up yourself, man.
Respect again.
It's a Wynter, it's a Beckford.
Honors and manners.
I know say it was Anthony Wynter.
Yes.
So who decided to call you Wynter fresh?
You know say people them in the road give me that.
Oh, they just say.
You know say when I go to school, I went to puss over them used to call me in the car. I remember so I'm skinny in a body, you know.
Yeah.
And I went a ramp in bro. Wherever the pants on different kind of code in the school.
We see free.
You know, growing up, I think, you know, so I actually think when the Wrigley's come out in
the figure said that probably a part of it.
Man, I them stuck it and name to me at the time.
Fresh.
When the Wrigley's drop, man.
Killer name, man. Nobody ever use against in a dance?
You know,
man, I chew you up and I sit there.
You know, so I think the boy Squingy did make one speech at that time.
Where is it?
I went to say again, dog. What him say again? say if a man give name Wynter Fresh, that mean him break must stink or something like that. I don't want to feel say, brother. Remember Scringy, man, Scringy a killer, man. So him ever as a killer, you have to find a way how to defeat the opponent, whether verbally or by some of life.
Still, you make it know so no man a chop can't clash with steel. But brother, pick up yourself, you have a father.
But I always remember saying, man, I brand new chop.
I can't. That's how you think set up, man. That's how you think set up. Give thanks.
Respect our manners every time.
Bless up.